Ubo Makuma Kumi and Sa, Okuma Radio, Edima Kochepa, and Tinyame Inshamuna, the Amoye Bianson, and Koso, and Tunchipa, and Gusuna, Ukap Mine, and Conan Sanya, there in Econ.
That's it.
Now,
And if you are, you know, when you go on, say, Papa. So, yeah, can't you for now? What kind? Yes, so any monso. Yeah, there can't be. And now, your bonnet snake. Oh, boy. Hello. Have you grown so much cheaper back on you? Murunkum search daddy ako. When you are 1 year to draw, no 1 year draw. We been to Minkuno. The way wa he crown or Yankrupo. One thing ya why I said that. Na Indian in it to me a touring chada ya crown. Awi yani atia for nyina da wase buka ande chechere branche. Donzi watrase. Akwani ya juma papa what is Ziki? Koswabo ebedija ebonyum ene wutia ye ene wutia ye unya te se meka star no peja phone me be ma sika papa ochra na yako eno e hase ene e beto aso you are KB. When monitor proceedings from afar, what do you have to find? But we say yes, what about you? Ziggy B, McFadden, the man with a romantic voice, and Subeba, Bella, Tiani Nachi, Wako outside Ghana, I had to chrome. When the Kwame Dako, Meta the Phone in Amrantane, D-boy, Yenina, and Yanamasi, and Mamma Mo, teacher for. Lawyer for, carpenter for, imamu nyina akwa bo. Welcome, ways alone, akwa on la rive. Welcome, ways alone. Aquaba Bon Arrive.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Oh, I catch them down the Baba. After Esia, no, Bibiemo, oh, Biesia, blow, obedient or Rukono, Wamama coming off you. Oh, Biesia, blow, Esi, I'm a down, no, Esi, Baba, the Esi. Oh, Esi, Dofia,
Oh, yes, bro, obedient no rukono wa mama makamendo fubio. Yes, bro, obedient no rukono wa mama makamendo fu. Yes, bro, obedient no rukono wa mama makamendo. Yes, bro.
Your official party station for 2023 in New York. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
You gotta check yourself, man. Okuma Radio 97.1. Mary Maresia, you my baby. I want for my baby. My baby, I want for me. My dear, my baby. My baby, I want for my dear, my baby. My baby, it's a for my baby. My baby, it's a for my baby. My baby, it's a for my dear, my baby. My baby, it's a for my dear, my baby. You gotta check yourself, man.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
My friend, what you know? My friend, what you need? Then that's my friend. What goes to no what you? What when you bring all that? Fire Mara, good be let's you. This is my friend. I try to baby. All the capacity. Now, Oracle. The young food is Sunday. I want happy child. I say, Rabbit. Now, I'm one of my doesn't do. I call me. I'm an Amroco. Sana Gababi. Good job, my channel. I told you one bet. Or the new movement. It's my members. Million when I can.
Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. What if I'm rocking? We are blazing.
Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio. Asabonin Masasio.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Montin si damuniasa, no sheda. Asabonin Kumasasio. Asaboni Kumasasio. Asaboni Kumasasio.
We are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. We are blazing. Station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Okuma Radio, number one, by Bakope, or Belka and Kayanim and Obit Maya. Yes, when Yakubo is near one day, saying you my pa, one of Yatitu and Amoni, one coso, now one to Sana Mon, Okuma Radio, for besting Eddie Council, Okuma Radio, a Yokaman Bakope.
Dama meni ejina, mehu adama me buajo, mehu adam feeling good. Today you're the bottom, your friend is feeling bound. Mehu adama me buajo, mehu adam feeling good. Mehu wada mania jina. Sa 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 oda ya dobano. Your friend no say feeling bam.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Break. Then you're the panel. Your friend no say feeling too sad. Man, what that you shock? Man, what that mommy you matching me? Man, what that you break you? Yeah. Then you're the panel. Your friend no say feeling too sad.
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Don't you see where you are? See where you are? What's I do? Woo! Hello. Moye me swear. Sego. Helele. Me huoda mama taba. Me huoda mama rokutu. Me huoda mama buekuro.
Me huoda mama buajua.
Na enro sha se na yeto aso. Mumfa pen ne paper. Na se ukuru antimi antompa bo ama bronya yimu party 2023. Ewo Higher Height Hotel. Latte Junction. Ewo ana Higher Height Hotel ewo. Jumadian beba so o kire nwumre nonum 5 p.m. Anwumre nonum single ankura say eh Hana Dubia ono sa no sanyeme na mede ne be kwa ono kwa na be 30 Ghana cedi ana fe salo adi ni kunu omuso mo ba ani ye 50 Ghana cedis double ye 50 cedis tiemi yo tiemi ye na ubedu wonu mu a best dressed couple. Best dressed couple. Okruni oyire and obi ne mpena a almost say some who ye pa mo achede be kwa mamo. Dancing competition. Pick an art na solo to salo to me for. It is salo to me for no. Mayi de afi bernu ye ade akwa pem hana dubia na pick an art no. Na my first question me pick here na me akase bia me nkokotam wa baba kon hye akire and na me kotam adubia de na hye akire de na me tie yie de kase me tam baba kon so fi na no a wono a watch na anya children service ebeye men's fellowship gathering anything watch na de anije no fi na pakop ma nwumre higher height hotel Latte Junction yengura ya Santin Potemu wa na be higher height hotel yenyina ya ba and watching a swimming competition ti ye dware nsuo putu pata na anyum ekwaso anyum no jaja fish atawali Bob Marley Pop Daddy Burna Boy Rose Cross Queen Black Sharif Afe Kofi Kenata and they na akwabua other the son of Pame when you yansa me kami mo menu other mesema ada ebenesi samba down kwa na ya de samini na wuram. I want to read and calculate the alphabet me beni broni na de kwamna ade awura no asa yatenkwanta ya pa na machi de daba etintin gben ay makuro achina makuro watchna how higher height ye be wada ho me see ticket no benya o gate wa 30 Ghana cedi single and I feel 50 Ghana cedi and a double. I feel gizzard. I feel chicken wings. Pork show yi. I feel aduane bi a opebia no high height there. Omoduane no Jenna be ka kire wo. What's not there today, 11 February 2023. And you watch now, and a Chocova pool party no. But so swimming competition. Best dress couple. Pick an art. I feel couple dance competition. Na DJ Behunyum Popo Jumedi and Sadia Nia Chile. And nobody be so cool honomo. Obia mrebi odishia ya Santin Potemu ho I wanna be yeah the Triple H Hotel VIP Kwantimpono ase wonu a ebrani ye no num bebi anya betumi friend panyin 0244 492408 0244 24 492408 and I feel 0244 844 927. For the two team, na brand new Aye. Yeah. Mr. Bebre, so penniema, so be worry, obey ye, openiema, I didn't know you and this year serve yourself. Come a year, a hoocha, me a hot here. A crapon yat there, Okwap my at there, Ghana, Yasia today. Yeah. Elise Ayao Rental Services and the Cold Store. Elise Ayao Rental Services and Cold Store. Mama Ayao. Imprema minjao. And Mama friend about the boy and I'm saying good day. Oh, the boy. I do baby. And dear Jabaso. The boy be dear college. Ah, Boboa. Don't see Miss Zoom Jam Papa no see Debbie and Fadi Fufrobia. And Fadi Fufrobia. Aye. The team best me and son a choir. See Debbie. Mama, your friend, but I was yeah. I saw Papa catch him in a bemmy. I said, the boy. First, I can have the sorry dinner to see Debbie. Oh, yes, a Christopher Nema. A Christopher Zama, you as a phone number. If be able to me, I can be. Mama, friend, me, the boy. And I'm saying, yes, Mama. I saw what train I'm saying, I said, oh, many a mano. And it's Alice Ayao Rental Services and Coast Store, no. Number now, pay. I could go nam. Nentry. Open Gosia. Raw one. Come on, Elisa Yao. Open more. Pop. Mr. One got over Elisa Yao. Now I'm Mark Guanam Papa. I'm Mount Crocro. I'm Mount Gosia. Now got over baby. Now Beba Sebi. Na Sebi Aproa. And can't James man baby pa. The papa de Anuane Elisa Yao Coaster. Anuachi. Muamope in Chancing. And the ice chest, papa, or question, and now serve yourself. Oh, worry, and yes, open ice chest, papa, a cooler young, a cooler son. I'm a warm, and there's several years. There's several wedding, I say. There's several party, I say. Come on. At least I am. Only Nabi. I don't crowd or cylinder. I mean, friend, I'm going highway, baby. I go highway, baby. Now, if you're going to cylinder and crown, gas in him. No. At the time, I feel gas. And in chance in your open, what is some table? No, so come on. Nada. At least I will be. The wedding now, yeah. Outdoor now, yeah. Party now, yeah. Are you now, yeah? Now, better save yourself. We ain't chance in Papa, dear. At least I have rental services. And you're cheap. So baby auton nam papa coaster auton nam papa womudia Adriane Elise Ayao Rental Services and Coaster wakropon akuyapem amanfo yan kwantem point shada anema me wo plate papa fork and knife papa obesevo mo ani agi 0246 831 731 0246 831 731 Elise Ayao Coaster papa Ninchensing what is your party wedding outdoor what do you serve yourself papa ashia in ho mama wi ami chiao one mofrano na mo wontreng Master Akufu adopemi bo odin ka asem awie nso ma hu Master nyame nhyira odo I see odo apply my break what you say na anopano ye lanche jumedi bi wo ye mfia sika wa kwa atrio na mom amachi de sika ne berma kwa me di quotation bi joda me ba me de bebremo o se nyame nsam nhira na ma nipa yo defo obra dwuma onfa bi nka ho nyame na de aba tie fa phone no bo star 787 hash. Woo! DJ Donzi 1 original Donzi star 787 hash. Donzi Papa Donzi star 787 hash. Ay! Agoni na unya bon sa pepa. Na why your selection? We say Mitra 5, Mitra 10, Mitra 20. Dudu bi obeso twa no obetumi atwa. Na ochina mo anopa no ndu no obehwe na u machine no erisu pepe adan. What's the word? Ubetumi adi 10,000 Ghana cedis. Enkan 100 million. Na jumadi efiase fiti eye enafidai in ochina. Kopim eye September mu. Na nesa we ya say ofa phone na wabo eye star 787 hash. Now we select option 2. Now I enter draw no. Now for what to ticket the next step no. Now for next step no what to yaka. Now draw it from say Kim. What from say Kim and opportunity no. Over to me the 10,000 Ghana cedis. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Star 787 star hash. Star 787 hash. Na utia ye urube disika urube numusika urube fisika urube tafru sika. Ai donzi eti fafono na mia umia mia star 787 hash. Now we are what dialect phone so. Now for number 2. One for option 1. Now we will draw the move. 3 no na for the number no they have to ticket number no. Now they would say kukuro na wato. Wato no what yaka. For number be episode trabia. Na wacha. Ebebom say kra. Ebom pepe ukura 10,000 Ghana cedis. Na utiye here jackpot kakrakana nkasa. Jackpot kakrakana nkasa. Kakrakana nkasa. Abin for the no. Ena kwa mi se nani je hono. 6.9 billion. Hey, Kwame Majuma for 4 years. I mean, some go diaba. What do I say? To bet to me at the jackpot and so 690,000 Ghana cedis. Better than a would and you also for phone now. Now about star 787 hash. Oh, what is our phone so? That's what your option 1, option 2. That's what we are drawing anymore. That's what ticket to do be a person who try no. Now what to me about our album my pet. Now I'm framing. Yeah, but just cano. Yeah, I could chew your answer at home. Na niatini nyo biara na betumi atwa bi gise wedding fishia du wotwe fishia du wotwe adekọ fishia du wotwe edekọ mo sa no ana siwagedem afeso yo bia we register mobile money no account no so yɛ adwuma aha na so say you obi so a mobile money account active yes me just agbo adwuma papa ba za ne to mu se kra na je wadi awie asem biara wo ho bia pese hu ho biara no ukọ star 787 hasha won popo nyina won sabe tumi aka www.787winners.com won popo nyina ra won sabe tumi aka afi die nyina be yaskafo me no ka sense wo pay agent na ye pay agent a obobuya na sika adwuma yi wo so anya bidi ahya wo se kufu wanya bidi ahya wo se kufu bibia ni a obetumi ahwe ya chiri kwan ana from panyinfo na wo mmoa wo obeto yo agent nso obetumi afrem panyinfo na ye agent ama adwuma ku kasi 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 your WhatsApp number is 0272 63 64 48. Hey, Sikabo in Trango Bomadingara na phone no Namia star 787 hash na wo na memen dai e peja won sase wo yo de fo papa wabusuanim wo yo de fo wo Ghana na adi nyina ntimi kwanka ma fafo no mprempiara na yenko yen anim fafo no mprempiara na yenko yen anim memen dai e be ni edi kan me bompai me yimpai me sare ma wo se wo beri san konim no na wa fra me wati ase yeko yen anim easy
Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Hey. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. On Common Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. We are blazing. Akuma Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. It's Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Hey. 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. For 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, now I was saying. Ropos Bananama. On also listen to Serious one was somewhere.
Ati simama kuma konkron no. No na betumi abo no na ne boa. The man with the romantic voice, Pa Solo Paradise. I necessarily din Ediako star 787 hash. Now the 5 CD. With the 5 CD pe Edia ye se twom. Oba betnase. Obeba aba betnase. Pa Solo Paradise. The man with the romantic voice, aka star 787 hash. Now the 5 CD. Edia Jessica Puduo. Papa Branty Beba. And then let me a conkai. Camera. Camera for. Mega vie. Seka bobo. Enele kokoko.
Titulu nante no amasi so munira. Muno brone from Bachelor Boys. Now Bachelor Boy no coach abontia na Santo Biso.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Odaye wa na mini beu. Ede makoma shenimo. where you don't want. I'm done.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
The Makuma Shenimo, where you don't when you be a momusho, oh, order, when you be a ringo, oh, day, Kamakoma to Yemo, where you don't Miss when you be a momusho, oh, order, when you be a ringo. Come to Yemo with your dopa.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Your friend me Grace. Okuma Radio. You are the best. Number 1. Aquara Mountain. So change
I don't see what you say. I'm listening to you. Good evening. My name is Mavis. Mavis. Thank you. Me too. I'm enjoying you. Don't see so chill. Boboleji. Me boboleji. Me boboleji. Me boboleji. Me boboleji. Architect, Michelle. Ofayao, Abuntam. Janimo, Diodopa. Police Kofi Sapon. Akura, Aye Michelle. Afe doctor Dampare. Maton Yemo. Yadopa.
When you be a momusho, oh, order. When you be a biriwo, oh, day. Come to Yemo with your dopa.
Education Director Waba Okrefofro Yema Akwaba. Yamin Shrao. Fe Okredis Assembly Funyina. Omo Fe Yewura. DC Nina Pamfo. MC Yewura Siedu. Oso Michel. Fe Latte Methodist fo. Christ in Tio. Koforia. Trum. Aye bobo. Aye you know. You need the achi. You need the achi. Papa. Mo. Take your own, give me, sweetie. Now, Achuno. What does it sounds? Has Achu been found or they are hearing sounds? Christian Achu Trasam. Janimo, where you the pam. Hey, Monsieur. Abraham, this somebody no papa is one Josh was so. Mommies, original mommies, international mommies, Merima fans. Then I am do her. Oh, I'm on a vilo. Madam Catalo. Auremio. Oh. Mini ba confirm na solomra. Fe mama ko. Nam no mara why. Na wanya yi mama ko so anya yi ofilia ne na. Yewura Water West wo Adukrom. Police in Kansa ne yiri na eja imamu yako. Na JDK Adom Enterprise enfanto wanim. So nya cement, iron rods in Adwa. na do ano we shoemaker for de na yenwura timo no mo de na na we Yesu asendi ano so ne ode bond ado animu a ado bi wo ho afi iron rods na afi iron and galvanized pipe, square pipes, round pipes, angle pipes, na afi flat bar FL 80 flat bar BAR and you rods ahuru nya bi wo ho quarter rod 58 full rod contact rods. All the rods are what is dang man ye or mampong kontonji mampong apim na be won we bu kwa funa ko mampong kromu no tete kwashi Memorial Hospital sharp care funi mara na we buto 0244 42 95 33 0244 42 95 33 na 0244 857874 JDK Adom Enterprise adansifu nyina hene ba akone owura na asabri ni din asesa na wamande foforo star 787 hash watrase obatrase na unim na ya mekai uta unim Henry na ya sports wo anije no oba intense foforo no ntimi nkan ko prama o se ago frama yes na me hwe oba o se ago frama se Henry enyago frama ago prama na me teacher ni awu aru krom teacher nyame ntia oka teacher ni ema wa boye ba teacher woroko teacher ori nyame nko achla e ba be jawo no dodo me class 2 teacher ono so wa biru miss Kwanza madam icha wa wi Jafu boni pa ma o hwe what me want to be boy master onya hwe oba class mental me so me go school kra man di o the mental officer 21 22 Jafu pray pity for nothing for free just like that chare man me no ka say atwungu asem ne bia banti no yenkoti na kwasidei asante kotoko yene wanwegu hai awon asan e ba be hye na the man with the romantic voice
the only man telling you all matter is sorry
solo star 787 hash solo
yes sir.
Original solo
yes
10,000 solo
yes 6.9 billion
solo
yes star 787 hash 5 CD per
yes 5 CD common 5 CD
5 CDs
5 CD per no way jagum anopa no ye 10,000 100 billion jackpot no yes 690 and you made no 690,000 6.9 billion Jesus
in here so be phone
phone no
yes
phone no
ya kasa dey see ya
phone no
na about star 787 hash send it o send ya option there be ba no option 1 na wafa of option 1 na obo say another option be ba
option 2 just to enter the draw
ticket no ti do a
open no obetumi ato do bia as many
yes
na waba second one no choose option 1 to enter the draw. Now the third one, enter the number of ticket
now.
Now call. Now the 4 pay for the ticket.
For Umono.
Yes.
Ubetuya.
5 CDs. Dudu bia pe bia. Dudu bia.
Eba na wa bo momo code.
Code no.
Na e dey show. Send e call. E no wa charge.
Na ebedu anyumre no na onyum no bo. Bye.
Na say sikano we onye adwuma what the fuck no wadidi
na wa adwuma o don say me ai to benya sika correct
what the fuck until
solo
and maintain here all methods
original solo
yes
come grad me many to grab me
say Abraham ma ho one power anko
ya ni mama go high tech you is a university mama Mama with a degree.
Is that when this can go?
Yeah, in this kind of what can the wobber, lawyer for teacher for cap, woman, you know, be out to me, but yes, now I was the way you, Mama. Your mama did the way you, Mama. Mama. Why, Mama?
Yeah, now, no more. No one power, money, and
oh, we got crowds and make up. Oh, we got crowd. That's I don't know one. Grace Mam Coconte. Now, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Grace Mam Coconte.
Abraham and Crawford, Mark John.
Yeah.
D-boy.
Yeah.
Ifia.
Yeah.
Omupa. And Ajwa.
Ajwa
now. And Bella Beckham.
Bella.
Drama man Crawford. Fia pa. Abraham. Crawford Fia pa. And Ziggy.
Ziggy B. Or not me just singing.
On the Mutu Nasan or
I see Lumbanium. I see a way. Yeah, prema for you.
I didn't Ziggy Pest. And the Abraham won Crawford or squad.
And the Oman Abraham holding an Ubia bar. Now when me a star 787 hash. Now, yeah. I said you could buy Abraham Maho. It be called Abraham Maho. Then it will be a bar. Yeah. Yeah. It's a church watch a man for so young China. I was saying Udiska. Yeah, or China jackpot. Early bed, no. Only bed 10,000.
Early bed near 10,000.
And a jackpot, no, yeah.
690,000
beautiful accepted golden choppable Ghana cedis.
Let's go with me, dear.
Come married 4 years.
Hey!
I married a 4 years, but me, yeah,
about 4 years now.
My brother, I'm sure me dynamical, baby, I'm sure me the some call.
6.9 billion. Hey! Some my real. Come here, come Abraham person me bo we asi na.
Me say anka mema don dia swam wo me ko ho. Na ma bon of me share my boss to ma 5,000.
Wo be this scan star 787.
Me say me nya scan na mema don dia swam wo ko ho. Me share ka fu ma bon 5,000. Je me share 5. Yes. Because as far as say star 787 ash wo ho ne de. Anopa bia medi. Na me bia me ko kuru kakra so de ko. Solo my uncle.
Okay, abusia ye wuramu agu kansie mu nsam na fe ye de ensam ahoro no enso atumi ye de ama wo command radio na waso gu so 97.1 ko Facebook Okuman radio 97.1 na afen nkoma ahoro ni na no obehu enso ewo ho no medin the Paradise AK Crop ya sante okori ajiman wo mu na eta akire na nwumire ye de nsam no e ba ye nsha se free matches ahoro na watwi eno se beba so ewo omemu a Division 1 leg no Access Bank Division 1 leg matches ahoro ebeba so match day 15 was zone 1A say NTM Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium Kumbimbim FC Ebeshia Mana FC na mo ne omo e dia gban ni Onyene Ameyaw Stadium so Kasa Nankana United NY Yasin Juniors enso bebo Malik Jaber Stadium Wasunta Ebeshia Steadfast Oboboko no na mo so e dia gban afi Onyene Ameyaw Stadium 11 Wonders enso ne Dembibi United enso bebo eno enso eye match beba so e was zone 1A zone 1B zone 1B Sunyani Coronation Park Young Apostles FC any Unity FC ebebom Golden City Park in Kranza Warriors Ebeshia BA United afei Adeshiman Park no Mighty Royals enso ne Brekum Arsenals ebebom na Nana Kramansa Park Balfour Soccer Academy enso Ebeshia Tanoboafo akwa esua eyiri yopebrem enti we enso fixtures a ewo ede Emma zone 1 eye B ye ko zone 2 a Zone 2, Ejoso Akasia Park, Pacific Heroes, Ebesha Future Stars, Ave Camp Park, Honum, Awenina Arsenal, Bobo Kwandede, Baseke Holy Stars, Ensone Omina Sharks, Ebeshia, Ampen AAK Sports Arena, Insman Kotoko, Ensone Asekem, Enso Ebebona Fe, Eduyao, Asansan Park, no Soccer Intellectuals, Ebeshia Sefi All Stars, no mo say they are in Lincoln Sports Stadium, Niwe Dubiase United, Ensone Mysterious, Ebusia Doors, Ebeshia Ejoso Akasia Park, Asokwa Deportivo Ebeshia Nations FC, no mo they are in Suedro All Blacks, I want them also Suedro All Blacks, Eyaboboko no, Ombetenefe was Suedro, na Omne Sky FC, Enso they are in Go Muafete, Wafa, Ebeshia Kempon Academy, no mo so Ede Abeni, Yako Zone 3. Tama Sports Stadium A5 Rangers FC ebesha Volta Rangers FC Karedov Park ewa Dansoman Liberty Professionals ebesha Crystal Palace Academy na omode abani Tama Sports Stadium Tudu Mighty Jet ebesha Bobo Kwandin eve Uncle T United afe Akachi College of Education Akachi All Stars ensone Tama Youth ebebom Achim Otafu Rovers Park Susubribi SC ebeshia Atram Divise na monso de abani ewa Kpando Stadium Kpando Heart of Lions ebeshia Nagot FC na amonso edi abani ni eje Kraku the second sports complex Koforudia Sempa enso betrefie ni Golden Cakes enso edi abani Tama Sports Stadium on Monday FC Nania ebeshia Vision FC na amudi abani yenko table no ewo Access Bank Division 1 League no senia eno so etie yako Zone 1A Zone 1 ne de ya chemienu yewo A ene yewo B Zone 1A table no 11 Wonders edikan out of 14 matches na omabono omukita 28 points enso eho Dembibi United to sumienu 26 Stephen to sumiensa 24 Wasunta to su 9 23 Mana FC to su enum 20 wa Yasin Juniors to su 15 points ene kromom ana Kasa Nankana etoso enson omo 11 points Kumbibim etoso enwatwe omo 6 points Zone 1B Buafakwata no dikan ekita 32 points Young Apostles etosumienu 28 points Ngranza Warriors tosumiensa 23 Mighty Warriors etoso 9 22 Bafo Soccer Academy etoso enum omo 17 points enafe BA United etoso nsia omo 17 Brekum Arsenals etoso enson 13 points ena Unity FC toso enwatwe omo so ekita 5 points yeko Zone 2 Sky FC edikan 34 points Nations FC enso toso emienu eno eye Dr. Kwame Chetim no omo 29 points Swedro All Blacks etoso miensa 27 Asekem etoso 9 23 Nzima Kotoko etoso enum ekita eye 22 points ena fe Kempon Soccer Academy etoso nsia 21 points Future Stars etoso enson 20 points Niwe Dubiase nwatwe 19 points Baseke Holy Stars tosu enkron 16 points Wafa tosu edu ewa 16 afe Pacific Heroes etosu Dubaku 15 points Seshi All Stars tosu edu emieno ekita 15 points Mysterious Ebuson Dwarfs tosu dumiensa 14 points Asokwa Deportivo etosu edu enai okita 13 points Elmina Sharks tosu dunum onosu 12 points and afe Soccer Intellectuals etosu dunsia onosu ekita 11 points enso ewo Zone 2 Zone 3 table no say enetie Bobo Kwanide enso at the Heart of Lions omudikan 32 points Sempa from Koforudia etosumienu 28 points Now God etosumiensa 26 Crystal Palace tosu enai owo 22 Liberty tosu enum 21 Vision FC tosu nsia 20 Atom Divise tosu enson 19 points Golden Cakes tosu nwatwe 17 points Volta Rangers etosu enkrom amonso ekita 17 points Susubribi etosu edu amonso was 16 points Akachi All Stars tosu Dubakon 16 points Ankiti United etosu dumienu owo 15 points FC Nania etosu dumiensa 14 points A5 Rangers tosu dunai amonso ewa 11 points na fe Tudu Mighty Jet etosu dunum ekita 9 points ena tima ochatuwa no enso eye Bobo Kwanide enso de Tama Youth amonso eda sewa no ma na Tama Youth points no ena negative bi ehhehye ho enti ene Tama Youth ogbona ne eteno wabona ne eteno ne ma nhyade nko efem negative 11 points ene kita Tama Youth enso ewo league table no enso a enyime yete ho enso atumi ede amount we ya matches ahoro a ebeba so enso ewo Division 1 league no enso yemuna mamemfa Ghana Premier League no entwa to na fe yen sore so na D-boy enso entumi enfema Ghana Premier League no match day 17 ene ebebo ene 3 p.m. ya me no ka say game na ahyehyɛ so Beche United ene Ediana Stars omo ebo na ochena Accra Heart of Oak ene Brekum Chelsea bebo afa Sunday Dream FC ebe hia Kotoko Wedau Kimfesa enso ne RTU enso ebebo na Tamale Cities Asia Mediama FC Samates Ebesha Legon Cities enso Atreman ebebo Accra Great Olympics Kerala United enu Kotoku Royals ebebo Namande Accra Lions enso Asia Bibiani Gold Stars Kimfensa team no say report eba and say Alhaji Karim Grusa ni team ne say Baba Yara Sports Stadium emboa into munya ombekwa Brankese baby a Nations FC ebo ne ball no Dr. Kwame Che Stadium na owo no omunya ombekwa kobo omo ball no enso into mu home matches no na say Baba Yara nioma nse dem fan home into ombekwa Brankese no makwa kobo omo matches no into omo hwe say sanhye no ene so be di dem din enso tumi e dem timani din enso ede eye bechem anase Kimfesa Boboko no na Heart of Oak goalkeeper ni the wretched atta 3 clubs and likely Sabante no Kiane Koboko no Akoko loan and so to me that one
say Kotoko the house bibiane ya
be Kotoko nka Kotoko goalkeepers nti amon pa wretched atta Kerala United Bechem United and Kimfesa likely said 3 clubs emu baako wretched atta goalkeeper Dma has Obako Akobo loan and so to me that one and then you mean 11:59 and a transfer window no Ghana
there no
11:59 e close and so enumerate
national Kotoko there no wanka ye ne dreams no wanka
maka
o kan say manti o
me see dreams better na fie no Kotoko and ebebo
ewo dew okay
kwasiada 3 pm
anya den na Kotoko ye be share dreams
okay
referee now who say referee no ba na yabodu ato so no me dem ye methodist ni me modua na mu omo kobodua no meta omo chi papa
communication director o say omo allow mo say mo mbo referee si nudia
me dabi me kan say dabi duabokra de enye ba me de say Kotoko ya sim blaster ara unim yeah na me papa sofu bi aba
say Kotoko ya club blaster national team
and them me ho me papa sofu bi aba of Kwadwo very reverend Michael Aduakon no owo Wasekropon ho na ode sheba president fi ba ye no Ofabedu
ofri Wasekropon na
Ofabedu Wafabedu o ewura se du fie ho
obehwe game ni bi
Ofa house ni and o san support Manchester na si an Wafa kwankyere ne mpa
bo ni o Manchester
ai me Wafa Skido ono de o Kotoko ewo Manchester
Kotoko Manchester na
Wafa de o Wafa de o house and owo Manchester na see the of de for has Kotoko team Manchester team no koye na has nso ebubu fasoba and Ofabedu ma of Akwaba or deputy superintendent retired Ghana
Service
or ni fie or Dukrom was it
or this cabai
was it of Akwadwo no omo ye matters of no mbom homode ni bi omo they don't depend on us or no ono omo no omo nsuro transfer say we am no be kwa akura dabi omo na mo ye matters omo na mo tete me ina me mbuga obi ano mba me ho kura ne se me ka no me ka
ono a woni sika
so nyame ahira no wo ka no o ka bi wan fa ma me ni ahira ti adomara kwa
ana wan fa ma
say can do betimi at na maintenance
okay
can do betimi the amount na maintenance adre of Akwadwo ye nye bi ni o ebre bi emrante bi konya accident bi wo dew importem ho iska 1500 ba ko ye de kohwe na ayahwe
of Akwadwo why ade nyame
na oye ne ma
Monday be sara ye wo fie ha Monday
anti wo mo asia wa ani no of Akwadwo aba so for Akwadwo si ya na bibi bo ha no ma obeka kire ye yes I tell you
Monday o mara sara
ye no na ne last sermon oba be ko wa mo say transfer obeko we niam esi wadu krom Christ the King Methodist as all them no ja what ni akwa bi board drums yem fan san kan go no ofi drum na chi fm kutu
na wate agu
mi na me ka kiro
oi na fe wan akwa board drums no
e dey say enya mo to fa ba mo fa kwa ba
o fa ya mo kwa ba man dey o ba na
oba mi teacher na yi no
5000 bi asha
teacher Morocco na yi teacher mi so boy ma no o boy ye wura de teacher ni ya boy ma
teacher Morocco
na wa kira obodo no hu wo ye na ase teacher Morocco ni o ye nyina be ye ni bi
wa gwa
ye papa teacher Morocco Miss Dentu Mr Dompre Mr Mo Master Fiankon
wow
teacher for him mbom di ye so mo teachers nko na mbom di za no o mo hwe aba
I so me wo teacher be Mr Nobody
of all here
hey no Why nya ba ne nsa?
Ah.
Ode be
I thought you do no Emma. I thought you do. Otim po aba. No ka say me churchina. Me churchina is what was churchina. O chance of ball. And they see mo aba school. You school aye. Fini school aye.
First pa.
Look at the disgrace of the school. Just school nani mu gase. See what for aba. Yeah. Don't see. Why ready? Now see number na you know.
Star 787 hash.
Star 787 hash. Na options number. The options no eba.
Choose option 1 no.
Yeah. And your phone no.
Yes, your phone no.
The option 2 no. I say obe enter.
Yes.
Draw no. What I say. Now option 3 no. I number of ticket.
Mobile
account no.
Yeah, 5 CDs.
5 CDs. Do be a person. Oh yeah, bia no. Na fi ticket ni na say draw no enter. I say uti cry ye dada.
Aye ye once I to ye no.
To grind 10,000. There is God. Oh Jesus Christ.
I say this kind of weekend. Ochina say. Jackpot no enumere no. Jackpot.
And Ochina say Bob mama and consider me do ye na say somebody 2,000. Aye.
2,000 Christ.
Me the mama teacher here. Somebody na course methodist you. Aye. Me no committed this.
Then I sorry be born nso.
Sorry on teacher Morocco no one ko presby. Na presby for so about teacher methodist for the na ko anim kakra.
Pray before they again.
Press before they never film. Press before they press be no baby am ko nan sen no. Me asore foforo na manya no. 2 floors. Omo na omo de mo kakra. Na kan ni na chese. Na market madum no. Amadum omo ante.
Press be. Omo jeje collection now. Oh for some collection. Omo we are now dey fetch it all na so far now.
Hey, me yi mo afim.
The official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number 1. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. What if I'm is rocking? We are blazing.
Sorry, I do sorry, me and Kono be ne do my ya. I do sorry, I be ne do my I do sorry, I do the Sonia, I do sorry, be ne do my I do sorry, be ne do my I do sorry, sorry, I do sorry, be ne do my I do sorry, be ne do my yes. I try, sorry, me, that's the money I make. I try, sorry, me, I try, sorry, me, I try, sorry, me, Okuma Radio 97.1. The official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number 1. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. sorry. Ajwa mauna su soja lafia de. Ajwa mauna su. Ajwa mauna su. Ajwa mauna su soja lafia de. Ajwa lafia de sedo. Ajwa lafia de. Ajwa mauna su mayanko. Ajwa mauna su soja lafia de. Ajwa mauna su. Ajwa mauna su. Ajwa mauna su. Ajoi, mauna so jalafia de. Ajoi, alafia de do. Ajoi, alafia de. Ajoi, mauna so.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together
oh, yes, oh, say yes, every man's a rebel. Say yes, oh, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, in
we are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Oh, say yes, oh, say yes, oh, say yes, oh, say yes, I do it, oh, say yes, I could join them and Subiuma, oh, say yes, I do it, Mendaro, say yes, I beg this, oh, say yes, I do it, Messubiuma, oh, say yes, 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 if you're that you say yes, and that you have one from us, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, say yes, in the end, say yes,
we are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Do you know why him gone? I don't know why him dead. Mukapu know why him gone. Do you know why him gone? I don't know why him dead. Mukapu know why him gone. Come from my front, yes, auntie. Come from my front, yes, dada. Come from my front, yes, auntie. Come from my front, yes, dada. Do you know why him gone? I don't know why him dead. Mukapu know why him gone. Do you know why him gone? I don't know why him dead. Mukapu know why him gone. Come from my front, yes, auntie. Come from my front, yes, dada. Oh, me da junior. Asempa. Iti me kayo. Asempa. Free iti me pino. Asempa. Dabe. Asempa. Asemi me koda me junior. Asempa. Iti me pino. Asempa. Asemi aya me koda junior. Asempa. Dabe.
Blaze it. Okuma Radio.
Abu Fraba is say yes, Mapa. Lady Abu Twete.
Okuma Radio. 97.1.
Papa can Chirawa. Abu Fraba Guru Yesu. Yefun Pin Banchi Deje. Pin Banchi Deje. Asama walking on the way. Akafaba from where? Ajwe. Asamaba. Boom. Dandawo. Abam kofie dandawo. Afi bossa wati nenkima wo. Dandawo. Abam kofie dandawo. Afi bossa wati nenkima wo. Dandawo. Mewo. Abam kofie dandawo. Afi bossa wati nenkima wo. Dandawo. Abam kofie dandawo. Amama kofie, kwezi zabra, beyin sona wako. Amale, kwezi zabra. Amama kofie, kwezi zabra, beyin sona wako. Amale, kwezi zabra. Oyade, wajwe nyado. Odade, wajwe nyado. Oya Sembia, Yakoyaba, Oya Sembia, Yakoyaba, beyin sona wako. Amama kofie, kwezi zabro, beyin sona wako. Amame, kwezi zabro.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are here
Savana won worry nam papa. Yadama peja kwa pete savana won worry nam papa. Yadama peja kwa oyate. Yadama peja kwa pete savana Wabina papa yedema peja ya pasan oya oh nani peyi waya pampansa yumwa na baba yumwa onyanya oye.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond.
Yedema peja
Radio. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Yedema peja kwa pete sabana won worry nam papa. Yedema peja Yedema peja kwa pete sabana worry nam papa. Yedema peja ya kwasam oya oh yo tani peyin waya kwasa yumwa na baba yumwa.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
That's the madam and Maya, woman coming. That's your madam and Maya. Dania, when they crying, that's your madam and Maya, woman coming. Dania, when they crying, that's your madam and Maya, woman coming. That's your madam and Maya, woman coming. That's your madam and Maya. Dania, why me crying? That's your madam and Maya, mama. Dania, why me crying? That's your madam and Maya, mama. Me don't know. I can't me don't know. Me don't know.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Me don't know. Me don't know. Me don't know. Me nya ye funa umba me smudi ba osan koko wa. Me don't know. 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 Smoky bar or some cocoa. I don't know. They don't know. I don't know. They don't know.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond.
Yeah, Goba.
Thank you for making us special.
Yeah, Goba. Aye. Ow. Yeah. The late Papa Youngson and the Western Diamonds taking us to 437. Yeah, Goba. Yeah, Goba. Yeah, Goba. Yeah, Goba. Hey. I'm gonna,
Kutchuk oral care at the Kojak charcoal toothpaste and then a charcoal toothbrush at Beja Manso. A bow say who buy a free and more a mine can a bowenum. A mouse ye ding na pie fita and a Kojak fluoride toothpaste. Yet in a brush a kawama free. A mawenum you na mouse a chinam and so ye ding. Yes, so a Kojak F sensitive toothpaste and then a mouth bather. A bow say who buy. Say with ye Diania Anu. And I say Jania Airshi. Emma will see ya near your friend no electric shock. Nasa will see ya pan, na say Fimojan soa. And ye now Diane, Kojak P toothpaste and in a mouth bath. Ya, Kaisa obey you see Kojak sensitive toothpaste and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush no a boom. So pay biata, ko supermarket and now drugstore bia benwo in Kratoi FDA Jiatu.
Hello, Mama. Baby, I come here.
Debbie, me hon shut down for me.
We a procure a 2 points pa Kojak for a year. Open your book class to be
a patrol pro code.
Oh, Ebony.
Debbie, when your pro code.
Where's your come up? Sorry,
Debbie, me pe pro code PROCOLD. I free Kojak KOJACH.
Kojak for the Ebony.
And me das. So we drugstore beer, so we pe pro code at toi. She, I'm a 1 year brand for Frobiantum.
Sanka tui FD Fuajiatum say come pa.
Say you can say Dominion herbal powder, Emma immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum in yet. Nan the senti, what Teddy Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina midi one dancing, and I say, Meme say
Dominion herbal powder, dear, Minia, and yet a month for dancing tea, and a bacon fool. Near I yet a woman nip a diamono, a broma drink, and a mentias so, and mud Dominion herbal powder, and Pau the Biara da.
Someone at the honor. Dominion herbal powder, and once one year will sue share will take up. Now that trick to us be gumu, well, Francetianum. Well, we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a pen for a baton more money for, and Quadawin in Field Mid one come home. Dodo Afre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji, a Gadian Kratui Atum.
Menin Chiminia, Minudiani will fear any dentisania me penno. Minim quaya me faso me fear for any bed Jimmy Driani.
Menu penny, King Nan said, and papa peridian and was cinema medium.
Na fear bane send and so me a many. As a semi who be biansan and me watching.
For we with Gianni free neco. Na fama said that bring me a tree.
Quite a desi. From so cool. Hello. I didn't remember drew her. Sabobani Dianasa, more beer and mommy subu.
Fear natural spices are done. We hear BCC the Bian one Median will fear had. I made the bean swap of whom is so much.
Fear natural spices powder. A down bedaddy.
At 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691. Sabri Yeriko na Church of Pentecost retired minister bi akasimbi ene ibecho ani ye mobo hu ne na mum sene ye kan revelation on say anka ye bo advert ni ye revelation e de to aso na papa yi wa ba du krom abe osopanyin wo Pentecost nti na enani statement no be be ma as revelation sabri de ye to aso aduokronga song akiri po ba ko 4:42 ene nso dwuma de ye ba so ochena e wo eye a high height hotel no yen question and answers no ye to aso ne nra nipa ba asa na ebo homode ne nso ye be be nya nipa ba enu de aka ho ya na fi aye nipa ba enum na yetumi aye se onso oba kan ho na ochena no yakohyiam ewo eye high height hotel nti eye ba ye wo ana ye wunua ana ye obi stay tuned ye to aso
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special.
I want to make one drivers. Why one gallon of beer? Well, we always see a simple. Our glass. Okulam, touch it. Kata.
Your official Paris station for 2023 and beyond. On Common Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Black and white. Wala wala jodi. Open subway. Mon frère moyo. Woyo open subway. What's I was paying then? I was in
Your official Paris station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Yimbobakan, sing Yimbobakan, Bay, upon Conseni, on our Braveni, Abahaba, and now was Mamma Hey, I'm on Miss War. One from where? One from Missing, one from Obikawa, one from Bekukawa, one from Akasusheo. Money
Okuma Radio 97.1.
What's the more party for you? The woman in you. Hey, Ranko. And you're in the crowd. Why do we see our put no show? And you're not banker, and you're your banker, woman, if you go, man, she's here. And you're not banker, and you're your banker, and you're not banker, see, woman, if you go, man, she's here.
Your official party station for 2023.
In that revelation, I be impact. Hey! I see. Okumanga di okurunwa so wachiri papa akusuni. Enije na ba. Yere ko yen ni ready feed us adia. If you are happy and you know, clap your hand, crack, crack, crack. Ah. Gonna go, zapa, zapa, zapa. Sawadede. Nako. Gonna go, zapa, zapa, zapa. Abranti bu adu friend shapa. Shapa, shapa. Na nietini. Former Chief Justice Sophia Akufu joins pensioners. Bond holders who are picketing at the Finance Ministry to demand exemption from the domestic debt exchange program. And the Yamami Sophia Akufu Enkang Chief Justice and so on the way Jim Oza Bang. Yes, you can't get a quarter on the Sabi. Yes, I don't know. Nane placard Ukrano, Mama Menkang, there was so. Yamami Justice Sophia Akufu. Nan Michian work Raponga in V. Very simple, down to earth woman. Ose, ne placard nisu no say we use our bond years to pay the following. We use our bond years to pay the following. Sikana wadi kuwano. Pension pay na band de saka asembeba. Esan say one way adwuma wo tia wan kasini mpo. Na ya ngiti. Those of us with and those of you with Ose to pay rent. Medical bills, electricity bills, water bills. It is abandoned Saka. I want you to papa just the ones who want to win your one bills. You mami so for your kufu and ore ekasa. Na debi ameka se asori betumpon wa. Asori no nkuma ewo mu na ma asori ni tumpon. The baby I we be passing Methodist. Minchi awon. The way the kaka James the consider your children's day. The Ghana Yanzanka so watch. Hey, church. Azarini Christ in the addition. The Church of Pentecost. A retired minister of the Church of Pentecost, Apostle Michael Collins Esiedu, Osofu Esiedu, Wabedu Krompen. Osofu Esiedu, Pastor Esiedu, Pastor Siaunum has stated that the local assembly is the strength of the church and therefore must be given the needed attention by ensuring that each member has a sense of belonging. Osofu, whose statement he miracle pasty, miracle repente, na masendiama asoren penyifubi. Revelation. Your software canny, Nayama Miss Sophia Sorry Kenny, Ghana for Ghana and Penny for Ghana, Soren Penny for Ghana mu mpanyini o manhya monsa mutie ye maame Sofia Kufu na sorry mpanyinfo so mutie Apostle Collins Esiedua o man no beko nanim. Thank you Revelation for the day. Kwi ana le kwe o mese wofa kwajo Very Reverend Michael Eduako wona oyire nyabusuanfo ma akwaba. Thank you very much for every opportunity. Medamase wona oyire wo osofu tekpe osofu lomo osofu ni bia bako amode medamase papa. Very Reverend Michael Kojo Eduako aka of Kojo and very Reverend very Reverend and I say osofu Nicholas Odumbe do onya bishop na enenso ochina Yareko Higher Heights Hotel enumre nonum pepepe itifi wasunye papa ne paper na nonumba ofre na utwa pe and ebe declare wanga wonya ticket ene won kono ebe declare won hey Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies Loma Vista IPS na a school odo bakwa sebe onto wusika ngui watch the papa about the chira say yeah business say yeah science general art home economics visual art technical courses ahuru nyina vocational courses ahuru nyina enu achi wo remedial classes awaye if you obano ko school baby passes a onya no wo enso wani we wan churo bi no enso wani na no ko churo ye no exam si wan churo bi nsu se results no enso wani etimi basa asa wo fo no na otua school fees no o be baby na ko extra classes they will twa ni ya be nurse doctor teacher osofo empa enu ani Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies Loma Vista IPS eye manfin akuapim greater manfin na wo butu nana ansasa sereku asase so one police station no in the community center no na ebutu faako me ka of orefa disuafo frɛ na fa ba no brabi enu achi o baby a oda eye hostel 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 0243 976 685 Loma Vista IPS also educate, challenge and inspire. No kwase me woman say waduan ba ye de nkwan no ba ye de fro ne ba ye da ofie natural spices IF Dansu JLM Farms Dansu JLM Farms ewo ebiru akuapem na se mfanto wanim na nsan de yen hyeda nkomu kaase ma onko poto makoni jene na wani atuagu nsam opoto nyinara na adi wura ohina ohimu hinimu tin ubewie na the food is full of hindrance and salivas and na the one package prekese one package mako one package akakaduru kama very colorful, very tantalizing and delicious acceptability of your natural spices. Mr. Prekese one year no natural what the yagu kanchi mu what package in the kama akakaduru one package in the kama mako chili pepper kama mamu ya shito mama moto ndokono oye nkwang de akobo yarefo hospital oye nkwang ankasa so be hwewo nya bi esen nyina bi first team nam no nanam no nya correcto perfecto koto bi wate opedudu atu ya 0546 76 1939 0546 76 1939 na fe 0543 188 642 0546 188 642 0552 617 139 Yeah, Kalas. Ono ye agent we briu. Na fe ye mama ya. Also God's Will Enterprise. Every praise as well down. Baby never we are. Of your natural spices. Every week we are pim. But down no woman. Oh, your power. Your power. Ochina, meminda. 5 o'clock. Pepe. Okuma Radio. And Higher Heights Hotel. And I come with the Chocoval Pool Party 2023 at the Brow. Chocoval Pool Party, Tiedino. Chocoval Pool Party 2023. Breno, no noom, 5 p.m. no noom. Ticket no single, 30 Ghana cedis. Double, 50 Ghana cedis. Higher Heights Hotel, oh, Manfi, Equiapim, VIP down one, I'll be one. Best dressed couple, swimming competition, dancing competition. Dingi na raba koso wo jumedi nasi. Breno iye nonum, Biano a High Height Hotel. Ochina 11th February 2023. Ochina tuyam, meme consider tuyam, joda tuyam, brother tuyam. High Height ana obiara record. Yes, you record. Pick and art bekoso. Pick and art. First couple dance bekoso. Swimming eguare. Asaw beka. Best couple dress. Aifrofo, awarefo, seven bravo obesies on ye. When you nada achade beko ama. Nam besu. Kibabo ya berry. Ye nada ye kopio ho. Additional so for booking and reservation 0244 492 408 and 0244 844 4927. Okuma Radio ni High Height Chocoval Pool Party 2023 no. E ho be de papa fatu team. No number pounds mama akuma akun numpe. We amatofu na tum. Bisa kosa na utwa pe. Udem.
Party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. We are blazing.
Enti eyide mabuya mama run down no the down Eriko kokoma wogro na enti mama run down the down Mr. Ochina emfa na Eriko no Breben na Eriko ho woje ahe muya warefu ahe na muritia wonkuya so na woreba ahe na woritia Breben na Eriko no Ifo na aka agbomu a wode jumadi ereba so no ayo kuma ngade okrunwa so nwachiri baba akoso first come first serve uramu na yanko obaba ne mabisa ko sanga bia biesa na numpe utwape osimwe 0551 66 77 55 0551 667755 0205 818 748 0205 818 Obiaba humano so de da ukura donzi amafu bo metame papa hello hinani
Frère Nanam Kasefi Koko ase Kropon
Nana
Nanam Kasefi Koko ase
Mama spend Nana no Koko ase Koko ase ekropon. Nana. Okuma ni o. Mo. China program ni di ni yeden. Program ni di yeden.
Tukuba 2023.
Mo eba so wa infa.
Higher Heights Hotel.
Okay, what you
Single ye 30 cedis, couple ye 50 cedis.
Good. Brother na Eriko.
5 p.m.
Mr. Wara VIP lodge no na Eriko ana say Eriko be from.
VIP lodge down on one Higher Heights.
Higher Heights wow. Ye kwa be dia go de ben baba ko pe. Ye kwa ye be den baba ye ba ko pe.
Ye be dancing competition.
Mo Nana.
Yo.
Hello.
Hello.
Ubechi obi ana.
O minti obi.
Me na se kwasuti why?
Boko yo.
Aya de papa. Hello. Who is my calling? Hinani?
Joanna, I'm a super bahenia.
Joanna.
Papa.
Joanna. I'm on for oh. I'm on for Ekropon.
United States of Manfo.
Good. What you are What you are
Single ye 30. Double a 50.
I'm from Eriko.
Higher Heights Hotel.
Why fa?
Latter Junction.
Latter Junction would open now.
VIP.
Latter Junction VIP.
VIP Junction.
Good. Program in the day.
Chocobar improvement.
Chocobar improvement.
Chocobar pool party.
Chocobar group party. Pool party. Yo. What's the yakwa? A group and be na ebedi wo.
Can act.
Yeah. Mo. Why are better men kan why?
Mate.
Aba fuma ba yemi ubechi obi wo.
Person me chiobi DJs gibi na wo.
Hello.
Na Yago police station.
Yago se wa ba ha ya. Yago ama mentene nka.
Di mate.
Me da se pa better men kan why?
Yo.
Hello. I'm a Ravio. I'm a Kissio. I'm a Brazil. Oh Jesus, there is God. Oh, Araroya. Zero. Oh, already. Humamo. Having Kakrebe Kunti. Hello. Hinanio. Adubia.
Awesome.
Hey, me am get Adubia.
Femia.
Good. Me say what the men okwa kissing we fa no kwa. Make kiss you some one at was that Pentecost guitar. Adubia.
Awesome.
Program ni din yeden.
Chocobar pool party.
Wan fa.
Higher Heights Hotel.
Higher Heights Hotel wan.
Latter Junction wo.
Chemekwan ni ye.
VIP Junction wa pass one.
Brebe na ye be shedwuma di na se.
5:00 p.m.
Woje ahe.
Single ye 30 and a double ye 50.
Hefo na aka bo ma program wore ye.
Okuma Radio and a Higher Heights Hotel.
Correct. Obatemenka wate.
You.
Hello. Oh my God. This radio is going to kill me. Hello. Hey, you're for your nurse architect. Hey, Master Abu. Yes. Okumanio. Yo, Master Abu.
Papa.
Hello. Mo namu graduation da be nebe bazo.
Nyami aduma 25th March.
25th March.
Okay,
di mabuku ato. Number 1 ever.
Venu ne se we
Okay.
Monday, every day, I'm back.
Munya venue ni ready, why? Na mo fa letter number ki bi ntem, why? Na, program na reba so no.
Program na reba so no, me ka ko na on pick na me ntimi nko.
O de ka.
Because you know, no program ke se pa na bo na wa sorry. The bed is me ntimi nko.
Na
me friend ma siam.
Yo, na bia be na ko program no. Hi to tell. Why fa?
Manfe. Latte Junction like mo wa.
Latte Junction. Okay. Na what say? You be dwuma di bi ho, e bi ye den.
Take and act.
Any den bi o.
They can on the
swimming competition ni ade.
No, so me ku mo yo po na ho. De ka dale mo so me ya.
O ya Asante ni wa o.
Ba jo you.
Asante fa.
Asante be kwa di nyase.
Be kwa de mu wa. Say ai lake bosomtwe na ho na o inda no yeah. You. And na me ma kwan o kira anka wa ya ade mom na wo se o kira ntimi machi a adofo bi e why?
Ba jo you. Me de ma adofo ma che o ma ya de panfo. Eni obi a me ne ye adwuma bi a nkoso ma nyina me che obi a.
Okay.
Ana mo nso mo yo.
Master Abu owa wudi wani hwe onipa keke na pomatare hye no. Nyame nhira wate.
Amen. We jam.
Me chia o mane nyina. Ma besra mo why?
Ba jo yo yate. We do ni.
Yo. Master Abu o se ontimi ba na mo wa bɔ ho moden swimming ko o se no nsu ndani kromunti. Yes. Okay, obi aba ho mane so ye nkodi nkomo. Hello. Hey, hello, my city, my honey. Salo go kill me. Oh, Salo. Meto on cap and I'm where you Oh, Jesus, there is God. Oh. Hello. Salo?
Yeah.
And now bye.
Yeah.
And then so waba. Good.
Yes.
And no amount 10 points. Why?
Na send ebe de me 100%.
Mr. Sir, what you kwa another no kwa 10 say na de so me nka me fa bibia nka ho what ase.
Yo.
Program ni din ye den.
Program ni din ye Chocoval. The boy me.
Okay. Yare ya wan fa.
Higher Heights Hotel.
Okay. Where ja he?
30 cities single. 50 cities double.
Hi, wan fa.
VIP down. VIP lodge down.
Okay. Brebe na ye be program na se.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. 5 p.m. in the morning. Please. 5 p.m. in the morning or 5 p.m. dawn.
In the morning, yeah, a.m.
It's 5 p.m. 5 p.m. in the afternoon or
in the evening.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what's the program needing the wound?
Chocoval then.
Okay. It's if na ka more program no.
Okuma Higher Heights Hotel na ka bo no mo program to say see.
Okay. Now what's the oja here kra?
30 cities single. 50 cities double.
Salut.
Program ever cost to be a pick and act. Swimming competition. On everything is nice. There's a video. There's a one to be kama. Una dofu anase. Una be dua. Oh, in fact, when you
hey, Salut. Oka ngmano. Masuma yami. Sewala. It resemble you. Salobe chankra fuwa.
Next year, me fear for in our body shape. Anyone kasa so. Any nana coming very to me chiam.
Okay.
I don't know who but on who me by now look so nice.
Oh yes. You also look so beautiful, eh?
Thank you.
And then I will go no. We love you, Okuma Radio. We love our listeners. We cherish all of you.
Yes, so you need them.
Yeah, the minister and you when you be can. Hello. That's Yamishra. Good. Hello, Abba in I am fast on Ayenchia, or so for Quessy, Calvary Hill. Sorry, mouse of Mammy, and a queer goodie. Munyina Yichiamo, Yaminsham Papa. 0551667755, 0551667755, 0270-191-971, 0205-818-748. 5:19 reads the time. Okumang Radio 97.1. DJ Donzi behind the console doing it like nobody's business. He does it very well. Because in Nejuma. The late Papa Johnson. Nakuizi. Enkaneme yabo. Vagina Kobo. Enkaneme yabo. What's it? Puff Daddy or the Ngrata and letter Akoma Burna Boy. Hey, Africa, we can't do things on our own. Puff Daddy. What's the Ngrata Akoma Burna Boy? That wouldn't say Grammy. Don't say Grammy na Kosuwa. Na lady ni winning, you know. And hina Rana na hina ni winning. Urana. Okay. Hina Chirami. Uriana na hina ni winning, you know. That was it. Burna Boy so quiet. Na Burna Boy quiet no. Na Puff Daddy was it Wafra Burna Boy ka say look, I help you to win the last one, the past before. You want to go and win again without my consent? This is your last. What's up, bro? For one way I say better we enter. Because see the AKA Okao on my program na Ubisana and go you also work metal. Good evening to all the bandsmen and the bands crew across the length and breadth of Kwabman, Ophir Banda, Mountains Higher Banda, Okra, Dangbeshi, Abyss Band, Ewan Sawam, Nayenchia Adumu Live Band, Afiyenchia Japan International Banda. God bless all of you. Mewao, 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 Usubenti Major. Yeah. Miss Obe dia, just a wunya. Star 787 hash. Star 787 hash. Now would depend 10,000 in a 690,000 Ghana cedis in would depend. Oh, the Kwakwa Ware, and yes, I was a show. And do for phone now. I'm going Abba LOTTO Abba Obiari DB. Na man for the winning jackpot akase kon wanim. And that's all for phone now. Now what dial star 787 hash. Our mobile phone so. What choose to option 1. Now for number Dodo apesa uchano. Now we're trying to come on. 5 Ghana cedi per. 5 Ghana cedi per. What me draw ni mu. And patutu to no and pardon no. The early morning bed no. What me the 10,000 Ghana cedis. Tudu bia pesa utrabia. Le tribia pesa urambia no. Akwanya ne da ho. Na mom utiye ya. Obetumi edi eye. Okokroko nankasa, okasi nankasa, hotel nankasa. Jackpot nankasa no 690,000 Ghana cedis. 690,000 choppable accepted golden Ghana cedis. And no 6.9 billion. Yes, Ghana. You are done like Magdan. Nessa anti bomodinga na fa phone mprempara na yeni sa agori na obenya sika mbenfu se agori ade mofra ba fie de ye agori ade sika ba fie de ye enti ntwntwa ona azekura fa phone no eni agori be ma sika mi se o dial star 787 hash. Phone so now second step no choose option 1. Now enter the number of tickets. Do be up as a and I auto 5 Ghana cedi per 5 Ghana cedi. Only 5 cedi. I get 10,000. My lad, this is good. Now what you utibeye. Now what the 10,000. And you are not put today no. Now for you no. Jackpot no be gum say cra. I just say wood them. Obia betumi ayebi yes we are winning fisha no watwe 18 years wunni ya sabre agro wuntimi nibi wuntimi nibi de rada na opa ya chiri kwan so ya opa obisa asem bia WhatsApp no 0272 636 448 afi ya agent am pese mo bua na ya gori na sika ya richei etu asete wo wiase ginara Ghana nyinara with friend penyini I was 0559 689 948 yari disika akoye anim agopa emi aso be dial star 787 hash star 787 hash na wadi sika se kurong sika de ye ma ye ni bi na yen kwen anim enti enenso won afre bo homodin papa na okoko ase obo no homodin Joanna wa manfo modin bo adubia marankasa madubia original dubia sister dubia ene amanfo mabahimia afi Master Abu na eye Solomon Salo we come back as Solomon na Salo Mama me give you my breath no kwasam munyina mabam homodin papa Higher Heights Hotel Manager Oreba na obiara number so ha ye be fra okule na ye de ama mu ya mu wini no ye be fra oboko na mo mesin krofu ya ade Joanna wa manfo o ya ade Salo o ya ade adubia o ya ade Master Abu de okache yense no kware ochina onya kwan na okoko ase won ya ade enra so nipa fra no monso mo ya ade enti munyina mo number ha we from breo me de ka me gwanka mia no emia na friend no all of you come and do massaging for me see around us amembia pako you mayanda amembia pako akasima bie sana nunum ne fatumi abo ahaya de okronga son ajibo ba akonso yede mo ase de afrefo nyina besia afrefo nyina de besia Master Billy oh aye akapim raba nga ona ya adwuma Master Billy michiao ofa uku Master Onyas Uncle Eddie nyina michiamo wafa kwadwo very Reverend Michael Edua Konwoni abusuano we piem wadu krom KK we ye baba wo ye Pentecost Potem ho Kenya nkopon shirawo sabre mi mbesianom ada munya have a blissful weekend e nyumre bekwa baba ye nkai bo we atriaso Parliament Sport from Chiamo Sansona Yakubu nyabusuafo no mama ko wanya yintu wani abre papa Donzi, thank you very much for your illustrious elasticity very, very contemporaneistic understanding for the program, for praying music, for the commencement of the program. Thank you very much. Donzi. Ziggy B, thank you very much for every time circulating that thing on the social media and this thing. Streaming all the time. Thank you. I thank myself and the honorable people who call in every time, trooping into the program to make the program very vibrant and understandable. Thank you very much for the opportunity given me. Very much of understandable. Please, we are children. We'll continue to serve you. You too serve us every time. Very much. Greet their children. Okay, security checkpoint here. Amo. Donzi. Success match Basuya. You've one of the longest holidays and a weekend of our time. Match passing by Ukutai, Joda, Punada by holiday. On the Abeko 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 8th year Wednesday, 6 March and 5 days of unstoppable resting. Oh, Tiochna, I hotel, Hobby, the papa. But in the Kwame Dako, with a KBC, I'm sure the Munina as Yamishan Papa. Mamma, you're returning. I didn't say about first moving on from Rana. Come on. Thank you. We are done.
Onyipanyaza, Kedapua. Onyipanyaza, Kedapua. Asamba, Asamba, one friend. What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? Hey, Onyipanyaza, Kedapua. Onyipanyaza, Kedapua. Asamba, Asamba, one friend. Hey, what's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? Asamba, Nipa no can. What's up, Wanyipo? Asamba, Nipa no one friend. What's up, all that say, when you mean I'm one. What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Wanyipo? What's up, Akukwa Bunso, ni we feel that from a return. Akukwa Bunso. Akukwa Bunso, ni we feel that from a return. Akukwa Bunso. Hey, Asamba Bade. Hey ya, Makasi Samia. Who you bada? Obiara Susu. Makawa wo bi pro ma mejina ti mu yan me. Mejina eh bi pro ma mejina ti on the Akwanume yanyuru kaso Akwanume yanyuru kasa Akwanuma yanyu kasa brofa eto Akwanume wami nkuma wayino Akwanume yanyu kaso Akwanume yanyu kaso Akwanuma yanyu kasa brofa eto Akwanume wami nkuma wayino Akwanume yanyuru kasa Akwanume yanyuru kasa Akwanuma yanyu kasa brofa yetu Akwanume wami nkuma na wasari yo Akwanume yanyu kasa
Okuma Radio 97.1
Akwanume yanyu kasa brofa yetu Akwanume wami nkuma
Okuma Radio 97.1
Ati was mamanka, ati was maminti, ati was mamampa, we so was mamanko, ati was mamanso. Waranyim the boys are by Yampia Sama, Atiane, Boyada, Yati Papa. Waranyim the boys are by Yampia Sama, Atiane, Boyada, Yati Papa. Oh, Papa, Yati Papa. Yeah, the apple bien oye basa, yeah, the basa nanan oye sono, yeah, the voice I buy and pepper says, yeah, the 1 + 1 oye 2, yeah, the papa.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yeah, do you are Baba me, Masama Maka. Oh, you are Baba me, Masama Maka. Oh, you are Baba me, Nano Papa. Oh, you are Baba Moto no Surmoso. Oh, you are
your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Edo you are Baba me, Masama Maka. Edo you are Baba me, Masama Maka. Edo you are Baba Moto no Surmoso. Oh, you are Baba, Mayana Wawe. Oh, you are Baba, Mayana Wawe. Oh, you are Mayana Wawe.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Menwo, fear once me. Menwo, fear once me. Orupurumukuru, fear once me.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Orupurumukuru, fear once me. Fear once me. Fear once mother Virginia. Fear once mother Virginia. Oh yo.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Within the Ekia Castro, no Mandela Market, a one me watching Castro Baco no size, or command for my de papa, me felem, or command for my monkey be woo, or command for my Jenina, Mumone yo, ya mamma Jumapa, and then the palm of the abo man you, yes, you grandma sing tree.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh,
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh,
Akropon Kapim. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Pesa me ka se me fie okugwa ye from Judge Joseph. Okuma yenso ni mu na ne power ha.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yese, Oplekese Jan Edu, and St. Poloman and friend Neku. Yo, radio bako pedo pese witia. Intimi to baby fat Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, uni size.
Hi, my name is Roxanne. I'm from London. I'm known as Sunshine. I listen to Okoman Radio when I'm here in Akropong, which I love very much. Only you, 97.1.
Inabema edikano meso mame nawase. Na memo mabaso Okuman Radio. Yaka radio station ewo Epuman Temwa. Ubo makuma kumienu miensa Okuman Radio. Edi mako chepa. Edinti nyame insha muna dia moye bianso no. Nyame nkoso anu tonchipa enguso na ukwapman enko nanim sene deyina no ekono.
That's it.
Na
Midingani abrabo 1 side driver ba ko pe owe kuapem Okuman Radio radio a udu radio to a ubenya so achede na ubenya to mfa so timisre so bia mfa no radio emfanto Okuman 97.1 radio
ye se wote twetwere de we kuapem me pa no so ya na ye Okuman Radio enwonyan ekenyan se nkronyan yiu na edikan o be manfum be na miso
Your station. Let's get it on. Bringing on the beat. Okuma Radio, your station all day.
FM Fufrobia Abano. Menkwa mintu mintie. Menkwa mirintu mintie. FM Fufrobia Abano. Menkwa mintu mintie. Menkwa mirintu mintie. Party money my one she say party mati memu forward e wa kuma nefe agu kan si eni kase papa daddy eni apomu di unse e wa kuma nefe 97.1 Ghana jimo tumo misi efi anwumre obi manopano eye wara no bieti FM Fufrobia Abano Menkwa mintu mintie, menkwa mirintu mintie. FM Fufrobia Abano. Menkwa mintu mintie, menkwa mirintu mintie.
Amamra yantutunasio. Amamra yantu.
Sankofa ukofa wonchi.
Dwumadi a Okuman Radio 97.1 ne akuapim kwi munim difubi ato kasa de rebetiatia akuapim kwi yare tonsum no.
Kenkan me.
Wobekenkan akuapim kwi homa na wayemu mpensempensemu.
Kasakwa mebusam ene kasasu ahoro akenkan ne ntiase.
Ukuda ewia na abia ngosi na abiesa. Memeda anigyofa no nso ngosi no nwotwe.
Amane aware agoru ahoro abedin to opaw ni ade
Joda fie wia no ngabie nkosi no ngabiesa ahwe egoru anwensem ayan ebisai ni ade
sankofo okofa wonchi
omebia awona mamrinti
so de nsa kasika no na nsa wode ka ne se ese sika no enwoma entu dwete na ade kokwato onsa sika krabia na sa dwumako no kradu sika koma no no wo so what is service charges free mu ahwe yi a dwete na ade koto kra won sentimi nka ene nam so ema former chief justice Sofia Kufude ne ho akwakodim esesa wo hwe domestic debt exchange program a yeyo na finance minister Kano Foria Tamfa na ni anto se nkokora ne mrewai wom kakra wo de asie se bia ka wo nahe aka na kuma bia wo de twa manuma ne krewa no makọ atiasefo asase so minyama wo muni no omabre na watimi de nsa ka de no kre no onu ntimi ntena se na omunani nguso enti ode ne ho akwakogim former chief justice ne yehu na wo gina finance ministry anim ho ya watro placard se kurta no a wɔse wɔne retirees enyina na de wɔn ntoma akɔbom na wɔn we de ɛbɛyɛ a aban beti wɔn so frɛ na saa domestic debt exchange DDE no wayi saa sɛbi nkokora ne mmerɛ wayi afiri mu wɔse saa sika no a wɔn de akɔto hɔ na ɛso mfa so anasa aba na ɛwɔ no ɛno na ɛyɛ wɔn ahotɔ so a wɔde bi tua wɔn dan a wɔn han ka wɔn medical bills ayare ka electricity enyinam kanea ɛna afɛ nsuo ka eti saa aba ka so ɔde ne sɛ ka ɛne aba nkɔbɔ awumina ngu hɔ paa sansa enche dodo no a de oni date no bia betena mu no no akwadam ni akata no so na asa eno na nam so ama na ye ne no di nkomo na ebisa ansa ma me na eka ho eno o se hwe eka na ntia na aka ato o classmate na ejina ho no de ne ho be kire no pa dan na ni no ka na ni na ahwe obi ani mu a so fa yakofu seminim no me classmate no na me nko no hwe nti abasa na asoso ebi aka ho enti se wakwa estate woman na so woso mo mayi na ne wo ye o man no ajapade no ontimi international fan nsanhya ne dem refam ene na nante se a odi kokko PA finance ministry anim ho ene ne da toso numu a enkokra ne mrewa a wo mo asom Ghana kwan paso akwa ahomegye mu wo mo akwa finance ministry anim se abanye yantento ho na so pasa wodi wura o restriction mu no yifrim besinne mampani ne classmate ni wo mo won kan ho hwe kind of a classmate ni wo mo on kan ho hwe wo mo akwa to aso nafu anum na wase aban kra ka sese what the 15% coupon rate bi ba ni nyina wo mo mpe aban wo mo si ja wo mo na wo mo ni wo mo sika se bi kakra akai mayentie sede na wo mo bo osanyum ati sede se bi wo mo kosa na wodi ani bre ebisa aban sai adan na oye atirimodem sem sa adi tian kokora ene mrewa okrom ha nti we nkamon kokra amrante ene maba wayi ankasa bre mu bontonton sansamu na obi ababegira choboy DJ Boyanwom anso ahu we mu kokra ne mranti sanya methodisi ma na presby him ene wo mu husa so te o ka so mu kwa kwesi efunu basere fo ofunu aha eya ni bra na aba no mu no mu ni ahoden hwe bre obi prostate o di agro asama fa no ana obi kura ni bi pia hwe ya enye se ade twetwe wo mu o ye nyina ye bedu ho dakoro sampempen so yo mu we sa wantimi anu ane Nyankopon ama nkwatenten wasase so na sa wo sra nkwatenten dia ye bedu ho enti prekoba ohwe ne maame ano pose ene wo se maame na ada wa no kakrakase ye kwa bonten so ana nkrofo didi atansa maame ano pose no so twen ubedu ho enti ye nyina ye bedu ho enu nti ena ne ato wo mu a ye kra musa no na mayentia mami Sofia Kufu na samo odi tu dwa say sa debt restriction na aban ya wode nkokra ne mrewa sika akoka ho no de edi kan potoka samo say wicked eya wudisam de atoso o say disrespectful na che say enchira dibuo na de atoso miensan so say is unlawful na che say tiamra.
As Chief Justice and as a retired judge, I have very good retirement terms, but it's by the grace of God. That is all. And therefore, if others are having a hard time because of this manner in which their contractual rights, me, I'm seeing it purely from a legal point of view, their contractual rights are being threatened, then I have to say something. I have to join them in solidarity. I don't need to talk to anybody involved in it. Their pain is my pain. Because I have retired sisters, I have retired friends, and so on and so forth. You know, when the bell tolls, it tolls for all of us. Yes. You don't just jump at the low-hanging fruit. And the people whose money is in your hand, and you're going to tell them, okay, your money is in my hand, and this is how you're going to get it back. It's rude, it's wicked, it's unlawful, it's not right. It lacks good faith, it lacks humanity, because Oh, we are sitting here because we are well enough to come. Do you know how many people are languishing at home?
Enti wey ya maame nom ne ya papa nom a wa homigie mo wey ya wani a won kran ene o matimi aba hei wani e won kura se de o nsa sunsum o ma no te o ma bobo ano ye we dem koya na sambai eno na maame ne de aka ho no krampo de o se is rude me ne we sign krata say o me de takuba beto ho na mba baje a o de sempo abeka ho me wo ha no ato me nkra se de me no kan ya no matu agu wa wo du pem e ye hyehyɛ foforo de amame ese wa mume na no na madam akufo se Ghana ban se obekoso ade pensioners ne sika awura didi program ni mu a ene ya onye krado no ontwen so onde o wa lawyer fo ne agegefo won be hia no pa e wo court sanse de wo ye no kamia kwa kwase wo tietia nkrofo fa ahudi so
people who are not even they are in such a bad state, they are not even aware of what's going on, but it's their investments that have been keeping them alive. You do not touch the funds of the aged when you have not done due diligence. You have not checked on what other things you do. We are not your last resort. You haven't reached the point of last resort. If they think they've reached the point of last resort, they should prove it to us and show us why this is the only solution. And in any case, it's not a lawful solution. So they should not even go there. Because if they change the law today, it will not affect what has already accrued. They can take them to court because there's a contract. And the contract said something. You did not, certainly in what I signed up, there was no clause in there which says when the government becomes and thinks it has become bankrupt, it will not pay you. So long as government has properties, I can sue them and I can claim my entitlements through there. But it should not come to that. I'm a Ghanaian citizen.
This is Angel 102.9.
To exist, with or without Kenuforiata, and so on and so forth. But deal fairly, deal respectfully, deal properly with people whose rights you're trying to trample on. And you're trying to use cajolement and dubious arguments and sentimentality. Listen, when you are old, when you're a pensioner, when you know where every penny you spend and need comes from, sentiment does not arise. It's what is right that matters.
It's way I am Mami Sophia Akufo and a wojina munu na mo wo abroche no enkokra na mrewa wo abroche pensioners no wo mo abrabo no wo masetena mu atesen. Let's compare and contrast. Me papa Russell Enin e wo Germany na nsen o kan health said e wo ha ne a friend be prostate o ha bra ne anhwa wo sen e wo ha na o mo friend no bra na ye chase ye hwehwehwe no ho said e be ya yare nsuma no. Ghana pensioners ye mu bi enam kakra mo ntento won so abanso ade kotua ne ho aka asemi emu akoye bebre sanse yetenchan ya na yese na de ya na ekoso yi ene ebrepam no ya ne woni aben e wosikasam kontabuo mu a wote sa debt restructuring ya se ebedi enkomo atwe so
abusuafo yenko yanim na eno enanam so amakane mampanyi bosuke na John Dramani Mahama wono so akeka na gina kasa eni wapanyi no nani abrepa eni waka na gine ede akire eya mampanyi Akufo-Addo eni na bedi akire pa wapanyi no akire mu a ahomaso suban ya asha mampanyi emuma minim eni na bedi akire eya Dr. Bawumia so nima onnim ya wanyi ntum se wonim oyen competent ankasa chesa wasa ena nam so ankakrakra saa ama Ghana yensi kasam agensemo no kanema mpanyi akire mu a ohunu sa aban ade omayi kwa kwahwe gotemu no enye nne so watena konya ne so pen ene wo fura se wo kam ene wo fura se wo tea wo to aban ne fo akire mu se wo momodia na onfra nimdifo na Ghana yenyina yentena se wono kra na aban mo mfra no a universities ahoro ene me ahoro animdifo ahya homa civil society organizations frɛ na kyerɛ sɛ ne amontena se ne yɛmfa Ghana ensi ne kwan ɛso ensɛntwerɛfoɔ sei enyansafoɔ wom papa ne nyina mu ɛna mampanyin kwakuado wase JDM wɔmfa na sɛ mo so hokra ɛdi senche meeting ɛwɔ na bra so kra sɛntwa ne mpoa ɛde ɛka ho ɛne sɛ kyerɛ sɛ nkakra saa na ban no wase disika de afa ho ɛne Ghana wɔnoa mampanyin ne nua finance minister Oforiata bosia bia wɔbɛbɔ saa ne de ne wɔno kra de nya boat no wɔte ɛyɛ ship paa no mu disika de fa ho ɛna kyerɛ sɛ ɛnam so ama aka wɔ bia na aka ɛyɛ pensioners na aka ɛyɛ Kane Chief Justice Sofa Akufo ɛde aka ho a ɛnɛyi wɔba panyin no so no wɔkam na wakɔ ho demonstration nyina ɛde aka ho na kyerɛ ne sika nso akam ɛno ɛna Kane mampanyin John Dramani Mahama ɛde ato ɛyɛ abɛfo kwantempɔ so ɛna wɔ sɛ I told you so we deɛ araba stamp mu sino no wɔ sɛ I told you so me come kyerɛ o yan konsem foforo so yi
ya kwanza mfoforo so dia na Chief Justice Kwesi Ani Yeboa na ahye se animanim ya Court of Appeal cases a ewo ho nyina titiru atifido mantem de nyina yenyi ne yemfamra asante mantem sanso na ne ofra mantem ne ade nyina se ya chemu mienu enti cases ni bacho tie pa na wo wasem ewo Court of Appeal a wo amma lorry fair kankwan koduru ho tamale kofodua Cape Coast ne mpotem ankwan ko bosudwe tire ho anka se ene masem a wo kra no me ko ya mfre then na court ni yatum ena masem ni yato achi dabi ene Chief Justice Kwesi Ani Yeboa directive or de abanyina ne say Court of Appeal cases a ewo etifido mantem no ye ba be kan nyina ewo asante mantem ena ne ewo atoy mantem te say northern sector ni nyina se ye ba be kan ewo asante mantem ena ne ewo southern sector ni nyina so ye ba be kan ewo enkra mantem a enti sei ena wa hyehye no o say asetena na enka ne Court of Appeal esete ewo tamale ho kofodua Cape Coast ene ne mpotem ni nyina ene ose wa suspend wa twe asan enti wasem ewo soro ho ene afom wa tie se de ene Chief Justice ahehye no northern sector no mu ana masem ewo tamale ene ne mpotem asoro ho ni nyina mu beba asante mantem enti kumasefo no mu cases yeyi ede aba ho eye upper west upper east north east northern region Savannah, Bono East, Ahafo, Western North, Munina, Mbabe City, Ewo Asante Mantem, Patrosha Nisopa, Netie, Esanse, one ray na boka, Efaka, Kokodruwa, Nakoni atoko to Denima, Ukes Ninkodina Bianca say atu actually, Saint Bio, Asante Mantem, cases as they say, na Ewo Court of Appeal, na Ewo Upper West, a year at Tifido Mantem Munina, ye Ediabaho. Upper East and also Eba Santimantem, North East Eba Santimantem, Northern Region Ankasa Eba Santimantem, Savannah Fuenina Masem Eba Santimantem, Bono Eba Santimantem, Bono East Ahafo Western North Nina se yeyi ede aba Asante Mantem afe cases no mo ana mo so mo de ewo formula ni nyina yeyi ede aba Enkramantem ha enti atoye mantem eye Western Region se mo nyina mo beba enkran emfimfini mantem mo nyina mo beba enkran epoye mantem mo nyina mo beba enkran oti mo beba enkran voter mo nyina mo beba enkran enti wo bibiara wo case ewo Court of Appeal mi pa chaw eye Court of Appeal nko Court of Appeal wo cases ewo ho ni nyina ene Chief Justice Kwesi Ani Yeboa e de krata ababonten esre Ghana fo nyina se mo ana mo wosoro ho am cases ewo Court of Appeal no watwene nyina e de aba Asante Mantem ena mo am cases ewo fam ha eyepoye mantem oti from mantem ene mfimfini mantem ni atoye mantem ni nyina afi mu beba eye enkramantem ha wo ba no wa hye ne so se wasem no se de atie bia no ye beka ewo enkramantem ha anasa Asante Mantem e de ama ofefefe ahema.
This is Angel 102.9.
Angel 102.9 FM. Yatu akasebo no so bra Facebook ne behe wani so ade. Ye nse dan ka we ya onenso. Empani sisi edru amanfo so a ne akai ya anom. Ensamampo so akodro nso so ugina kira fefefe ubie so areho nko a. Baby edu yankwa asenfo so district court we na ene yesi se udru honom na wani afiri hu so kakra bi a ebe o se de ogina yi ase no nanso na ho ye court dem mu ene de ajagefo ya wo mu ye order silence in court nyina obi aka na no tum sanse de ekoso no se bi omunso mu ye nipa enti na omu nyina aboto se Owura Francis Ahen ya odin obi ade frɛ no Kofi Same ejina court adaka mu bonkro na wodi adanse a kire court se eye no kre se nipa ya bɔ no kwadu enam no sunti amu akwakɔ gina court adaka mu no wokunu se ode ne ye nyankoma de apesika so manfo bɛka ya arehosɛm a esiye na yekum 16-year-old Okada rider bi ɛho sɛm bɛ ye cho ma no obi e ka bi si ye die ɛsɛsɛ de aso mo de kwakɔ gisikaduro abamu ano ɛna wada TV no so no na ene presiding judge ete ho na ababa akra abamu ne maame Letitia Kumsen wo bonani a na enye ye a afedi maame di tihi no watiem wo hyase se wo su akoto dem ho afi ya wo bia somu da na akwada na mu da hokromo nsu saa se wo show nipa da sane anim se wo ba wa chem na wo no wo kunu de na kwa akwaji sika na sabi oye nkuku agya na wakwa akwa ya koton apesika anaso wo ya haban anwono mu na wakwa akwa tete akwa akoton wo ye pe wo ye mango na wakase wo kwa akwa sesabi na wakwa akoton e de akopesika obi ba wa chem na wo no krati asefo wo se wo kunu se wo de na ye sikaduro na eno na presiding judge his worship Abdul Majid Ilyasu wo ba mu bie afei yankɔhwe a presiding judge epepa nani asinisuo wonu so enipa wo womma owonso no na obahwese obi gina dakam se makum obi ba na mamini su court dem ho obi aho agu awosen asentoburo na wo bi ati ni so ana ayare ho sempa na ne nsama wodi tu dwa no yankwa ahoma so na Kwame Owusu Asante Shadrack yenua na owo court dem ho bi na amanfo keka se wo mo ahu Kwame nisuo nso de na nkenta nso fam Kwame majoy
Ntachwa mi juso
na mpom tisan
nyankopo adawo makoko pa
tuwete sana ra hopa watimi edidi
Ntachwa ayasam kitwa te minim nsanu manka mitwa kakra because ene arehosem a esi wo asifo so magistrate court no Ntachwa edite yesu ofise ebra yede abranti a ono wonye mfie aduasa 34 years ye friend no Owura ye friend Francis Ahen dodo na abu ni din se Kofi Same yede ni gina adakem na bra o gina adakem na prosecutor ono edi nsemarachi na ototo abranche na no Owura yire Matilda Osabu Abin ebo kwadu ni nyina di wie na jaja oti adwom ebita abranche se ekwan ben so na ofa so a odinim abranche a ye friend se Emmanuel Kwaku Amoa no adodo boni kamane se vision no ekwan ben na odinim no na abranche no ebie na no aka che ne se ono no ofi mankasi mi potem ho no mo ba betina asen memu hanu no se woko ba bia abranche no no frɛ no na one no ekɔ na che se obi ho no ma no kwakoto de o ba bi no afrɛ no yima be fami na yenko no de ne konti oni na ba be nya adamfo ono obi sa ne se abranche no sisi a one ne kasa no owo hefa no mo na abranche ye frɛ ne se Francis Ahen aye frɛ ne se Kofi Same no ebe bie na no akete wewu na bra obi na no boss se wewu na jaje ebisa ne se ekwan be so na ofa so a wewu no awo tati se wo cheche mu ani akoda yi mame ma esu so etie mu okoto no na adani aweho ene ni papa so esu mu ho no no so bi esu na tete yenye ewe koto nyina obi a abutu a tete wo yo ho hwe a enye Emma Georgia was Jom, his worship, Abdul Majid, yes, Monumpo, Ebra, Onono, Eto, Abantena. Emma, you see, sending on one Casaman, the nose mask, I just said, you need to watch Eddie Acosra, or the people in Monsieur. And watching a Brabanteno, a gin in Funso, a Tumonase, or can't say, or no, and a crew Abrantiano. No be born a passer. Only Yankuma didn't find no one person a fool. Now, I'm a fool. Entimin so ye kofu afu no entimin so do so ye no no tese be hia eye nipa moja edi ayesa yankoma de no ebe na nam so a odi kun abrantie no ebra
ansa na abekọ wani mu no na obi pe dufa akosen na fom
yes o tremu a na ye abrantie baako a sabi ono so abozifo nsa ka no ebi ya nsa ka sisi a eye oluman kakraba ono no ka ko be ye mfie aduanan na o tremu a ono nam ho no mo na abrantie Kofi Samim ehu ne ka tele so wahu bibi wo ne ho akyese na ebusu mu no ene ma nhye da nkoyi wo ho na duma wo ye nyina no ahombo ne bi di nachi ani koko a wadua no kra no entimi nso yie na obetumi aye niam de ama no ama koko no etumi agina ne nan so aso yie pa eno na o ka kire ne se ansa na obetumi aye sa niam ne de ama no no ti se abante ya fe ne se oluman kakraba no enya enipa moja de ma no abante no ka kire ne se enipa moja de enya de obetumi anya e de ama edinu so obetumi aye ne sikamu dia eni engonye ne samfa ma no no ankasa ka kire se we de enya den nyankasa menye bi na me de aye e de ama wo eno ene nam so a abrante a wanya mfie edunsia a wotwi aye ukada Kofi Samim ebo ni pa chese okoje ne nkwafi ni ntanya ya
ha enti abamu ano ne papa ane ehu so opepa nanimu ni suo no
aisa pepe ne papa a chese wo behwe tin na omusu abusuafo e ba ho no na eye court dem ho nipa be 500 na na chese mo twa ho no mo ahia
o sha papa ya o yo bia nani afia menyi ni sesa bre kro ba wo biew na papa pani ete badwam na waji ne handkerchief epepa nani ase ni so a no krenie edi se piem pani ankasa kra ti ni so no bi wa emema ti ho nyina krachi o hye ni kai mpohwe obi oti ho bi de o hye color yi po we friends orange yi kra se on pesu obesu obema omo ahusi wo su enso ono so kra epepa nanim areho asam na asefem ti se ya asam no ya de akohye da ben
yes sexual sabram no ka say de kodubofo ana odina dwam sergeant Matilda Osabo abin echimu a ehwemu no eguso ekoso entinu osre court no se court na makwan mom panko match bosu ni da ewo etoso enkron enfie empimienu ene aduenu nyensen na chese omuntumi enkoso anya hwehwemu yie se na be ya omode asem na isaba omo evidence ahodo omo aboabo anu nyina no ebe ye concrete ebise aposifo no echiremu a omo ekotutu efom ho no mo ba bi abrante na nkasa di omo ani ekura ho no mo ekotutu fom ho no mo nya enipa akoma omo nya abrante no anase akoda ya wafiri ni omo nya nakoma eno echi no omo nya ne spinal cord ena afi so eye ne mfimpade no omo nya bi ho no mo a eye evidence echese akoda na nkasa video ase no mo yese ombe bekwa koye DNA test na koma se ya akoda na nkasa ena chese abante ne kuna nenso no ensem no na ekuta fam yenu na fam yenu no baako na yese akoda bi abampotem ho no mo no so abante ya na kokofa na yehwehwe na yehu eno nti ena nam so a na mo chese ombe ye DNA test nenso no abante na nkasa to nanu mutuo pen akese eye abante a ya fere te Emmanuel Kweku amu a wenye mfie dunsia na otwu kada no ono na wakunu nti tansem ne de omo kira enya de omo bedi eno na ti bi ma isi ade asene ni ada ho clear se akoda na otwu kada no wono ena brantie ni twetwa ni mu nketenkete wiele ena osuja edi gu ne so ehye no se ne be ya aposifo kra ba ka omo nya evidence dia ewo ho no mo enso no yankopon encha do sabe ni de aseme ni ada ho no mo clear.
Sorry repeat ho mame okum na oyiyi na kwa opewie ye no de aka no oho ne sannam ehye no ma ni nyina hye dwere
yes sexual abra okum akoda no ewie ye no ena odese kan edi titwa akoda no mum tetenkete eye no chese ayi tete de wakoma yanka ne yakun na ntwi ato anase aponchi bi ato no otitwa mu owie ye no de ka atai ede to so epe jadi tu mu no hye tene be ya posifo ni ba mu hu se ye nipa mpo enti asem na sese na brante no na o ka cha posifo nta de kura otie ana se okun no a wapra ho edita ya ahye ho no na ya pomche nenso no eba nhwem no ko animu no ano e no no ankasa agi atu se ye nipa efite aposifo no eyi enam ni bi anase nipa nam no omo yi bi a omo de call forensic lab a omo kokko ye test enu mu na ya betu obi ase eyi nipa na ono ankasa so adia tu se ono a eneku akwada na otutwa ne kitinkiti ehye no etutu fom edi numpen ka ya na aka no ekokko hye ho no mo
me hu de mekampo mini abema yeda ase ne wama ne bonya me yadomo a di akire na de besi bia no o de amaya ma ye tiefo
so tu na me da ase debre
ye kana akwakosi sem bibia ni ho a ye kaka ho a ebeye yie bio no kre ni Ghana tena ayeden pa Joseph Achao and was pure wicked and evil just say you trimodern sam any sebi honhomone samwa e was or rotting in jail just rot else you couldn't be no kwa asamado kokoyi ne ho ano as ya boatwa fa bi etini suo na atabwa de ya rose so say atoroki Mr. Obo me na mi nsuo sansa asam we de ya mare hododo ma mi araba France and no say koko ene koko kura beso a ye di nipa moja ene ekwa akodua Ghana hene ekoi Daniel Ofori ene wo say wa onu yusu the F word boy ene wo say okoje 50 years Elvis Nana Benyin Lasco ene wo say Ghana hade ene ekoso say arehu Joseph Achano so Ghana da ben ye beja isa juju semwei ama ye de ahoden aye adwuma pa bibi papa bi wo ena ebrantia hene Danny boy emrantia hene Danny boy eso wo boase Mrantia hini clothings na we bi ataboy so obi amane sane obi sei papa isu a wo su ama me re kra ho ya gina enso tini so ya wagiri tini so na Mother's Pride agman no so one ya wo mo ye omo so wo mu su no wo mu nyai na Facebook be block angel na that's why say we be man nim ya bi hu krache no say nana ya do bia no so him search wa 13-year-old girl na dia matwam said debt restructuring no haircut na kame ababi o Christabel and no say oh my goodness mama me ra ho na Isaac Gassi Babile Benga and was say arehosem kwadwa sempa furniture works ordinary advert by kobna esuom etini so ahazi kobla David etini so Ras Morgan GH ase Ghana ya wagiri ni so no san wo ha na Mother's Pride agma say na adenti no mo yesa say omo yesa first or place to sleep omuni lorry fana edo so pa koso anefa bra na atwa edi bi beba sanso na amanso so edi bi ebeba Joe Biden medase yankoye ni
awusofo awometesam yeba ne dan yeba koso na yakoyenim abusua enane agya wonom enkafra pa na ade no emu aya wode wani nso kire eye Gomua West District wo eye Central Region ana mfimfiri mantam no emu a womo nso enti ye kra emfato ho eye DA Basic School ya eno any school ba kopa esom eye enkro mako prako miensa enkwada efri enkro miensa so ena wonom ekɔ school ba ko a eno eye DA Basic School no school ba ko ena gese enkro miensa na kyese enkro ni bi ewo ho a womo eni school eye Ghana sem enkro ya esom eye womo no eye haso woze ena achempem ena mfanteman na ehawa kyese ewo mu no so de ene kyese ehawa school nankasa ene manfo no wonom ewo mu no eno so wo mote angel kasebo ewram ene wo hene ya wo no ewo haso woze na ampem daako ya wotoso miensa di ho enkomo na bona ni kura no wosu na eka sene wode o makosam ede atudwa no areho wo se eye school nankasa no edan no ebuagu anesa wo kasa teacher ni enkwatira de ewo ho a wase na menkwa no ehefa na menkwatena baabi a teacher fo betena ebi ni ho enti teacher bia nya de so obekọ toilet facilities enso wo mo enibi hwehwehwe anya adwuma ewo school no eho school no kra no egu na owofo ban na wono oma ne ba enkwasa school no na edan enwiri ngu ne so yentie na nan
na bi na na asset auto teacher national teachers auto video dia ma high school go ya bi teacher fun no mba nti mo fa wo ko ko chiwa wonka then I'm sure about idea and then how the Utiaka on the field. If you don't mean to see on the screen, they are from you need to be maybe I'm going to manage you would be a Mrs. Amofan was an upper. Like a teacher for now, would be a man. And I'm sure my young man, you have to teach up the room. You put into them, I able to teach up the room. Story, Eddie, the slapper there. About the Modia umbrella. You can get a phone umbrella. You fight it from the canal.
Eti natural sa ensem no ene ohere ede atuja eye wahina wono ewo hasowoze nana ampemdako ya watoso miensa ena yete wono so na kosam no yenti adehye a womo ewo kuro no so
ya nkuwe school antal na education for our baba che mo fanade papa funa wotcha mo fade ni ma school na fanata mpefra sese yi nsuo school ha ehebi chance da ya mama mama from wenye woda school na ai school na fanata mpefra dem chance da yebi nti ehia mo mwa de wina mboba bobo ya me ya hwe na school afanata mpefra
ase yin school really abesin ko no school nke jinna so and really abesin ko no school na to apansa because of teachers are in the school at a top answer.
We are the turning school. We feel school addition adena. What for no home modern degree? If teacher for no osa. On so class ni na la. Tama.
Eti na chese addition so ya womo ewo kura ye fe no hasowoze eno ewo mfimfiri mantam no emu womo akosam eno womo de atudwa no etu firi kuro no so na womo wa bia no wadane wani akohwe okuro no womo ewo Gomua West District wo eye Central Region abusuafo na ne Medimosis Clinic and Process Center 30 years ya ye die no enya asem ketwa afi we mu nyina chese ne de bia ye celebrate eye 30 years no obia so ya wonom eye Medimosis enro no ka eye celebration no eho ya enya asem ketwa kra na ne afa biem ewo Medimosis Clinic and Process Center eye sene wo mo hyan kokra na mrewa eye old age fo no eso mo nyarewa sene ache so mo nya mo ho ebra no efekeke abrochire na chese enim se old age fo no wo ho ehia wo mo esa eno na Medimosis Clinic and Process Center ede sa hyehyɛ no ede abo my Ghana emu sene wo mo gigi old age fo yi so ya enya asem ketwa kra na enye old age fo no nko a wo bibia ya kire se wo kɔ eya yaresa ewo Medimosis Clinic bia no enye jeso na ya adwuma edema ayaresa bia binom ewo hɔ a no kɔsem ni sɛ ni wo motiatia yarefo kra no ma yare na kɔsoro bufu Ghana ankasa no old age fo no yeto mo jeje mu ya no no enye subampa ebia ne so mu sika sama kamu a enne wo mo ya demonstration ahomete pa ya no kra no aban pesu oku mo wahu enti old age fo no de no kɔsem ni wodi panyi adue ene ye kɔpanya nsanso a ya ne ye ta kase ye kobisa abrewa enti mu a ebribia mo de mo mrewa ne mo nkɔkra mo de mo ba eya Medimosis Clinic ebe po ma po mo den so mbekɔ so anyina kyɛ ewa apomodin mu sirie mu bibia emu no nyankopɔn hyira mo papa ewo ne amo ye no eho ena mo nso a kyerɛ sɛ mo nyantu saa anamo no mo mamadia na mo nsua bi mo mrewa mo nkɔkra old age fo no o ma sama ho hia wo mo ebribia anawsɛ mra no odi o mo kɔ Medimosis Clinic a apomodin fo yi ahwe mo kama emo ma pomodin no ebribia na gyina so no ma ye fefefefe eti mo old age fo mo fia ba bia benyo mo ho adagye ya hwe mo pomodin kama o ma kɔso anyini o mo ho ani kan mo duru sa bra no a ne nyina Medimosis Clinic ene wonom edi sa adwuma no ede ama ye eti sɛ wo hwehwɛ ye kyira kwan a enkrahe ya adanta barrier wo benya Medimosis Clinic kuma senso ahenema kokɔben mo a mo watama ene ahyama nso enko eje kwadwo baby a school for the deaf wo mo ewo no ana obefre ewo 0244 068 447 0244 068 447 yetro branch bia ya no ebewo na the most semenu so de na kwasemi ya medical doctors apapabi na wono aye no emu amawo so kra wonsa ebetimi aka be the most semenu no ebi ya ka na chese emakie eye pharmacy or S capsules atwa content no and wasam na meka ene pe say eto babia ya wo paso konto no eya sa no de bia no make sure say wo benom eya pharmacy or S capsules no ma you teenagers no mo so mo no pharmacy or S capsules de ja konto no enye hwam kama pa wo de puase keka ne kanka bia etimi enyim free ho wo ye be ma so aye slaw de bia wo benom eya prosecure herbal tea and prosecure S capsules na prostate yare no e bia cho be ma bula no
edentinya me insha mo na de moye bia nso no me enkoso ani principal enguso na ukwatman enko nanim sene de yina no ekono
that's it
na
Wafrɛ me Irene dodo na afrɛ me Obapa obeba abra yɛn area hɔ na hɔ yɛ sum yɛbɛhu Okuma FM nyame adom ama yɛn street lights yɛde kɔ akɔbɔ hɔ yɛde Okuma FM ase ɛne obi bia ɔboae ɛma street lights ne bae no yɛde mo ase ne yɛka ne sɛ nyame nhyiram yɛde wɔn ase obeba abra Wafrɛ me Irene dodo na afrɛ me Obapa obeba abra yɛn area hɔ na hɔ yɛ sum yɛbɛhu Okuma FM nyame adom ama yɛn street lights yɛde kɔ akɔbɔ hɔ yɛde Okuma FM ase ɛne obi bia ɔboae ɛma street lights ne bae no yɛde mo ase ne yɛka ne sɛ nyame nhyiram yɛde wɔn ase obeba abra
Ti maasem ti anso afutu a medere tumu na mede masore akona se ya radio station na mabaye se ya ma adwene se mo ba benya ntotoroto ekuropon yere nya amode amunye ready na ye be ya omo efise nokware kan ayera nti ufi ase kan nokware a wo be ya no ekuropon
Lino no bisa se na onye master yo kan abisim case no wakai akosi sen abisim case no seguso Abisim case no. Abisim case no. JB Dankwedu crowd there ka so ankwala case eno so ewo ho cases ni de dodo na na wontu de emfe no enwo ho na yempem so arawo sama ye kan efa sukuru ho a ena nkrofo bi sa se enti Ghana mpanifo ho Ghana mpanifo ho pa sukuru da na ashuga ne pan eno crowd ye na ye nuanom asabi omadi dam ewo mani na ebinum so aso enti kasa no ena ne omotiem dendenden ewo emfimfini mantem eye Cape Coast for the deaf and a blind. Now the omo nyina ne say wo mu say mani huna de na emom ne yefe ne computer so mo kwakwote na bi hu edo omo nsa miemie bi so edo omo nsa kan bi anase teacher ni kura de mouse be show bi nsa maka chen say ade na kura no yefe ne mouse ekura ketoa na we ni dwuma edie omo so omo hu bi da omonte wasam krada eye arewosam pa eni asefem sem pa edi emam na sansem we nyina omo chem se enye se computer na omo hu bi da enye se mouse na omo hu bi da ICT lab no omo ni bi enti amakyerechefo na bre papa ukogina ho a den na akwakyere nkwala no ukwakyere nkwala ya edu BC nso ambo akwakyere ICT ensohwe omo ni obi otenkra ba akwakyere ICT ensohwe omo ni obi asabi na ni fra ba akwakyere ICT ensohwe omo ni obi asabi na sunsi ye ba akwakyere ICT ensohwe enintia yara wosam pa edi emam na no na nam so ema akyerechefo empanifo bi ewrewre ma ena omo ni old student eye Wesley Girls High School Association no eye dwumadie sonko fefefe bi pa na dwumadie na se ena omo de to esukufo yanim se no kure ne nyame anim mo wie suku akotena fie ebi ye adwuma ebi aware ebi kobasa na nkwalanketo ye afi na omo fefe be ya asabi ebi ani efra na ebi nso aso enti asem no omo sere ICT lab omu nibi na kakra bi kra ye benya ma omre kran so aye bibia wo ho omu sere se ye muam no nya computer eno na nam so ma ene All Student Association Emma Wesley Girls High School akwakoya omadoya ene esika twitwiri die pa no mde akomam se omu mfiase emfa kakra enkonkoto computer no enche enkwala no
Uncle easy. Under the word ICT literally computers to work with and other computer accessories. Na mountain there. we do not have even one. Kokra yenibi. Osana computers na mobile tuning na onye juma. Inti nanse na ye there. So lucky you have one projector. Inti teacher's laptop na wada mahenan. And I say P4 ICT ya kwashisha wo ho a wia na se P6 obia ebo tutu nyaman na da ko P6 na onu mpodin konye problem. Now so we have practical or them from hands on or they will use once bi wo ho a. Now could you imagine a class of about 30? Ebafra bufe bia dombra no more try in hands wo atena ereyen nti bi sound ho de a period of 1 hour 30 minutes ebafra da mo free na
lama akoma akwadua so 30 enye sese be nani kura wo ho nani ni ho na sonson se danti asem titiche ni no oso ne nsan kakran nani wo ho kura dia nka ye draw eto board so ani a kire ne se we ye computer part we ye computer part we ye free we mouse we ye hardware ye free we monitor ye free we system unit ene bi ni ho senti no aye den e di amawom so John Roxy nene ena wote ye no na no achi ena national president Emma Wesley Girls High School ene esukufo ya tete wo munsama enkakran president Madam Efia Simpson ene Angel Kase bototwe nkomo no se asem no no krani nyamianim omote ye omosefe me papa se nkwala sabi omani afra na omaso asi computer pa ye friend computer omonte ho asem da ena omu hu bi da na nkwala ma akoma akwaduasan this year so we inside the netira gata e de ne kwakotena ha ne atira we inside na kwatira gata ne de na kwakotena ha sana computer ho asem ya kachel eno na nam so ene association no aboaboa sika no kakra e de akoma chechefo so omunye omunikan se ye mienu se ye miensa omunton fa nche nkwala na de
se nyansafo a na wo so eza afa adwen nti sabe hona wo te hen etefo na hona wo ahwefo nyinara ya basra de ho so bibi kakre bi a wo biara won fam mbom na won fam bra na ome idwumazim onzimu osanda afra biara enyi ho a owode education anade adesua kakra obesua no ze tum oza ye bibi zabua na ranam no ho anana manan ye jana ichi nti no me ye besra anyi de ankwankru biara wa kan ya kana akoma no so ombe dem omosom
Mami Efe Simpson nene ena wote ono na ye national president Edema Wesley Girls High School association ni nyina oba peni oda no we ena menso me kan bia kan se mesere wa kakra won sem announce akọ ye omomwa sanse we de eye asefem pa bedema heba hospital nene me kan fo dia ma se yare a wo so eye asthma allergy bia wo so wapo so etutu me pa chaw je se yare nketenkete bi prostate yare UTI gono syphilis STDs
ma se muti ya nso afutu ya medele tumo na me de ma sori akọ se ya radio station na ma ba yes ya ma adwene se mo ba be nya ntotoroto ekropon yare nya amode amunye ready ne ya be ya omo efise nokware ka ayera nti ufi ase ka nokware a wo be ya me ekropon obia ni wa won aya won sam me da so ka nokware mo pa modom yanka nokware nko oya won de mo ye dem obaya na mo ya ukumode anka mo ntum mfrem di mo nye ntum so oya unkum na mbodi nokware ye mo adwuma kwesi se ne ya pepepe ma no yato
meso medam ase ewo wonsa moto frame me se ene mo pese me ni mo di dwuma ewo Okuman radio 97.1
sapepepe
na me be pie ha no so mani age mo state of the art a modern studio amodi edi mojuma ti me bomo abaso opanyina onya akomapa e de ye sa dwumade e set up this station e bona abaso mo so amo ye adwuma e fo amo e chere Ghana fo mo educate mo my information mo de fa fidie so enye akuapem mpotam hankwa na emom baabi a afidie ekonyina no menim se adwuma pa na Okuman radio 97.1 mudie na ye mpai boni se Okuman ebenyini abaye kese ama Ghana afana nyina yatemonka energy enam de free baabi a me free a me de aba bedru ha me chietiefo a Mosuma Ekradwa Mutiemi. Wamama kwenya idea mesre na makama MPP delegates flag bearer contest ebe basono. Mama yenya abotre. Breaking the 8 ehia se party ma yebe soba. So person set record ewo bebia yemfa kiki yemfa fanfare yede abotre yede anida ho ene yede set record. Munya abotre yenya yeyi tini nyina no emre ni dura momfa ye nyina nto nsanie so ni yen carry obia enhwe enye se obi wa aban mu ena obi ni aban mu yen carry obia on our own individual merits na yen hwe ye ho eya na mekasa asem we obi anye popular enchen MPP platform a eye osono ene red white blue colors no obi anye popular ensene osono with red white blue colors so obi if is or popular pa dia ene so ko independent ankeye
chira obobre
no a platform na to into issue of popularity ene wo bafo kofi bafo ye do tena osono no so near the red white blue colors no fa ho a ye bo MPP a candidate a ye kofi bafo that day no onye popular ya kenya ni say engagement a woni amanfo be shia na kasa na
ebo wachidom by the constitution of the party
na MPP machinery nso e wo ho no anim fufra e be yi no yi ni wie na mo ton anim fufro no a enye ton no so eneti enti hia se ye be yesoba ye hia se ye be hwe no mamu ye hia se
togbe yife tosumienu ena fesuafo ye wakwa me Chrome Newtown Primary NGHS ewo timantam na wonsada wonsa yemu se anka school dan po de nya kwada na srese be school dan ma me na me nko school anka ba school dan no wasiesim na ya catch awofo send your girl child to school na ya di boje beat gu ase send your boy child to school enso na di nkwada no moma ye krado adware na classroom ombekwa akosua de ne asem no de adaso de me mpese kase eye school dan mempe de sa sans o hwe school ni crest na ya draw de aboban no ho a mekwa me hu ye na mekase okonfo bi dufa ana bodu ya bi na da so no wo hu o de beginning no de fabra hwe ase konfo bi ade we wo eje ade na ase kuku wa eje sim na ase kukuo ye eje firi mu ba wo hu utibu se ate we ye ele
ni die for ni dia oyema na ngade na we expect
I'm expecting something beautiful something
yeah, the better V8 yeah the better V8
Ghana yeah the better minister sebi hu binum shu hu ahu ani
yeah the better V8
ebi kasa said sebi
oyema yeah the better V8
shade mu school tie
yeah the better V8
oh enti enkwada no na omo na omo pacho na togba yife ena de atodwa se so he se de dan tie anya papa ne na eka wan kasa hwe bibra Facebook na behwe dan na edikan na ye hwe ye no uwe ya safata so okani ba bedware sami kosku na ho no bekwa akwatena wan we ya de ba ya wasa enkwada tena so tutu no wamote so tretre
baby fire 4 eche o de na ye
4 ebi kura so nya baby tina
emma 2 bi na te won
hadai
no see we ya pata we de ye we de eye ne ye wase eye ana se
dwem ye friend ni say ofanko dwei ofanko market
na wonti wo bati ase a wonsuro ebeti adwira gu o
na we wutima ade kire ba papa ben ne ye kire wa mora ben na ubenya se ese me dware anopa kotena school dem we oni obi nso otenkran ha ebetwere BEC
oni obi kwada school mu na hwe ne mo didi agrompo mo playground keke
ohema
didi o canteen
ohema nko na wo edan na utimu na nkaza wunya bi ubabi awudugodi agro na ade o ka play
na betwere the same questions BEC yo
baby a wotin no de ye kire wo na ba kwotro ho nsore no wunya bi wo si playground oko play we no ground we ayi ba do go play
minister bi we DC bi we pani bi wa Ghana na masusumu ma matri so na de wote so nie de wotimu hwe baby ye de ama kra wote ye na hwe classroom ankwada esua de wo Anam say cathedral.
Yeah, Toviet, yes, cathedral.
Me beda ho. Enti we ane empanimfo no adesre wo hene a owo krom ho ma yentie sede na nani abere a wode ne nsem etudwa.
I'm appealing to the government to see our school for us. The JSS is in a portable. It is not good for the student to live inside. It is a death trap. So the students are not willing to attend the school over there. They have to go to the other schools because of the structure. So I'm appealing to the government to help us to put up a portable building for us. We went to the DC Assembly several times to come and help us to put up a new building for us, but we don't see any sign of coming. And then the same thing, the primary school also. The students, they don't get a seat to a desk to sit on it. So I'm appealing to the government to see our school for us. The JSS is in a portable. It is not good for the student to live inside. It is a death trap. So the students are not willing to attend the school over there. They have to go to the other schools because of the structure. So I'm appealing to the government to help us to put up a portable building for us. We read to the
Ohine ya wade akro nka me pa wo chew ana sorry. But nega na hemfo yete ha minimo hini bi ewo ahafo opunkotodwe wo fom. So wo sere ye na me na kwan ene suku adan ma no na aniwu. Ene hemfo adan beggars adan opempuntu amani kro. Enti giso mo pachew ade a wo senka ye ma wo mo no. Omo right say de giso mo pachew ansa. Asam na ya hometi ama hi abo Augustine yenua ono ne omafo kodi nkomo no wo de fa no so sese wo mu hia mo school da mo pe computer lab and afi more textbooks.
The problem associated with my schools is first, we don't have toilet facility. So when we want to defecate, we go to the bush. And second, we don't have good building. So sometimes when it is raining, the roofing should.
Asem nu nyina no aka no ohun kwala foforo san wo ho.
Ye class no ebubu nti me pese government no bebo ye need this for hanumsi to the animals, and we need the government to come and help us. They are not teaching PE, ICT and Ghanaian language.
Nti achachefo no kra nso enti subjects ni bi ho a enkwada no nkyero me kasan so edu bra okotwero bi si ya woso okwero bi nyesa school placement emfa no ya be kasa course ni subjects ni bi wa nkyero enti school placement emfa no ya bo nkwada ni bi abro on se de na wudi samo koso no momie ntoto ye niema ye we eye enkwada bi a wo mo ne wo mo hene ewo Kwame Krom New Town Togbe Yife otoso mienu na yete wo musu no Kwame Frank ase ohima wife papa na Matata George you look fabulous Nana Akosia na kosa se down cat na mahu se fashina amu asam wo post enso se de osese mitino eye economic restriction there, and they took so much from me because meeting Kaya Sakura. Elizabeth Gaze, oh no, Elizabeth, happy birthday. Yanko Ponsha pa, or say you look new, or he must say, AC Edith, as is so pretty. Akiti Samson say wow, and Auntie Richard so gorgeous. Bwadi Yaboa, and was say absolutely gorgeous. And there's one of the any waka a chana walkra, and no, medase wo. Medamu nyina asese mama mitima ya mede anwumre we solo onka da solo onka sem we bi enche me da Amos Don Kokobi eno se ono oye Caleb uncle na ne me hwan ne fe pa munidi tomra yemfa nkonkotua airport foka Yaku yenimu no mame ma wade pasan so nim san joje ene ma panko a na yedenam de edi kan eye oba pa aduane oba pa nuane nyina ye papa edem pani di nkwada di eme nyina ahomeka san se udi aduane pe na me wahoden a de bia usi pisita na ba ko ameka kire ye oba pa sardine mabi ngofie abrebia na juo
de so muti anso afutu a medele tumo na me de ma sori akona se radio station na ma ba yes ya ma adwene se mo ba be nya ntotoroto ekropon yare nya amode amunye ready ne be ya omo efise nokware ka ayera nti ufi ase ka nokware a wo be ya me ekropon obi ani wa won aya won sam me da so ka nokware mo pa modom yan ka nokware nko o ya won de mo ye dem o be ya ne mo ya ukumode an ka mo ntum mfrem ti mo nye ntum so o ya unkum na mbodi nokware ye mo adwuma kwesi se ne ese pepepe ma no yato
if you are bompa di kan okoman edi afi ba ko afi tse ne re bompa ma okoman e do poku ne okoman FM fro ya be bompa ma se Ewurade nkosinchira okoman FM. Get ready as we pray for you. Afi prepare penine jina re bompa yi se Ewurade menye yi na menye yi si ye fi adwuma se a menye yi Ewurade afi ba ko ne ode akodo yengene so Ewurade adwene dechi from just small scale to a big level, even onto TV station. But me jaduma to me so. Ajenshira to egu me so. Ejuma akoso ayenshira ayadom. Ejuma ubu se 124, 1 fenchira kwan, 1 fa educate. Erade men koson utumunti. Amen.
Amen.
Also chance lebon pioneer one patch chance also chance.
Erade there was bebre say we okumayama ukuapeman apoye mantam na Ghana man nyina erade there was ne fekura ne say erade anopa bia ni pate nkwagisem e wa fidie so ora yesu ne esra ne say oduma wo de aduma fidie a wonnam so ma wiase nipa etensem awroi ma ebi mra erade say nhira ne mra djumayefo no brem adjumawura no say erade ma ne kase mra ne brem ma onu no ho da so odi sikapudo hye adjuma etisem ne say ntiminu ya no madofo nyame ade hye ono nyame a wafam so edi adjuma pa etisem ba apoye mantem ene Ghana man no onti na nim nkyerem no nhyiram erade ma ne dom nya kase wo mo so no onfa fidie so emfa nkwagye ne awrechichisem emre wiase nipa nyina waja oba ene won kronkron din mu amen.
If you are bompa edi kan okoman edi afi ba ko afi tse ne re bompa ma okoman e do poku ne okoman FM fro ya be bompa ma se Ewurade nkosinchira okoman FM. Get ready as we pray for you. Afi prepare penine jina re bompa yi se Ewurade menye yi na menye yi si ye fi adwuma se a menye yi Ewurade afi ba ko ne ode akodo yengene so Ewurade adwene dechi from just small scale to a big level, even onto TV station. But me jaduma to me so. Ajenshira to egu me so. Ejuma akoso ayenshira ayadom. Ejuma ubu se 124, 1 fenchira kwan, 1 fa educate. Erade men koson utumunti. Amen.
Amen.
Also chance lebon pioneer one patch chance also chance.
Erade there was bebre say we okumayama ukuapeman apoye mantam na Ghana man nyina erade there was ne fekura ne say erade anopa bia ni pate nkwagisem e wa fidie so ora yesu ne esra ne say oduma wo de aduma fidie a wonnam so ma wiase nipa etensem awroi ma ebi mra erade say nhira ne mra djumayefo no brem adjumawura no say erade ma ne kase mra ne brem ma onu no ho da so odi sikapudo hye adjuma etisem ne say ntiminu ya no madofo nyame ade hye ono nyame a wafam so edi adjuma pa etisem ba apoye mantem ene Ghana man mu no onti na nim nkyerem no nhyiram erade ma ne dom nya kase wo mo so no onfa fidie so emfa nkwagye ne awrechichisem emre wiase nipa nyina waja oba ene won kronkron din mu amen.
Wa mama kwenya ide mesre na makama MPP delegates flag bearer contest ebe basono mama yenya abotre breaking the 8 ehia se party ma yebe yesoba so person set record ewo ba bia yemfa kikikikiki yemfa fanfare yede abotre yede anida ho ene yede set record munya abotre yɛn a yɛyi ti ni nyinaa no emre ni dura momfa yɛn nyinaa nto nsɛneɛ so ne yɛn carry obia enhwɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ obi wɔ aban mu ɛna obi ni aban mu yɛn carry obia on our own individual merits na yɛn hwɛ yɛ ho ɛyɛ na meka saa asɛm wei obi a nyɛ popular ɛnkyɛn MPP platform a ɛyɛ ɔsono ɛne white red white blue colors no obi a nyɛ popular ɛnsene ɔsono with red white blue colors so obi fi sɛ ɔyɛ popular paa de a ɛne sɛ ɔkɔ independent ankɛyɛ
ɛkyerɛ ɔbɔbrɛ
na wagya yɛ platform no to hɔ nti issue of popularity ɛnɛ wo baafoɔ kofi baafoɔ yɛde wo tena ɔsono no so near the red white blue colors no ɛfa ho a yɛbɔ MPP a kandifo a ɛyɛ kofi baafoɔ that day no ɔnyɛ popular
popular
yɛaka nyinaa ne sɛ wɔ engagement a wo ne amanfoɔ bɛhyia na wokasa
na ɛbɔ wakyi dɔm by the constitution of the party
na MPP machinery nso ɛwɔ hɔ no
Nyabema edika no meso ma me na wase na me mo mabaso Okuma radio yɛka radio station ɛwɔ Efreman tem a wobɔ makoma kumienu miɛnsa Okuma radio edi mu akɔkyɛn paa ɛno nti nyame nhyira mo na deɛ moyɛ bia nso no nyame nkɔso ano ntontupa ngu so na okwaman nkɔ n'anim sɛnea dɛn nyinaa no ɛkɔ no
that's it
na
Ayumre ya busua emamu nyina dwo de bɛde akron nson achi po ba ko eso yɛda news team no ase sɛ omodembo atumi aboa ma de nyina atumi akɔnkan na news yi ɔfa na kama wie ade nyina asomdwe mu sabre yɛde nkabɔ no ɛbrɛ mu wie a anwum DJ Donzi boabo no sɛ ne ɔbobɔ ne ntade ano anwumre no ebeye dwe papa na nwumre no nkabɔ no edin eda so star 787 hash enti du hɔ no mo a memma ya crowd na mama usika papa enti yɛnkɔ ne sɛ na fie mewura mu ɛwɔ nyame ka kyerɛ wɔ no so Kojak Oracle and Procode for aso yɛ na nwumre yakɔdu a yɛde mo ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ hɔ na Kojak Oracle and Procode dwumaku ba ko a wɔmode anima mienu aba mandwa so a ɛboa papa ne di kan Kojak Charcoal Toothpaste me say sabre no yenka pep student bio yeka Charcoal Toothpaste ɛno ɛna wo de to brush so na wo de ye decongestion ɛwɔ nu mu a enkokone ne ɛwɔ wɔse ase nyinaa no wɔn nyinaa apuba sɛ ɛne na nkokone ne no akɔhyɛ Greater Accra ɛwɔ wɔse ase obeba akɔkɔdo Northern Accra obeba na de nyina tia konkan obo won so ɛwomwa hu sɛ otwe ne se a na mogya di akyire ba saa no a na asiachi nam no na ayɛ mrɛ enti wonya Kojak Charcoal Toothpaste ne twitwo se a na abɔ wo se achi nam no nyina ho ban ne ho ayɛ den na ɔhaw bia antumi ama metom na wanya wotiri adidim ɛno nso ebi ana kaka na ɛha wo de twitwo se a ɔyɛ free Auto a charcoal toothpaste na brush no ɛhyɛ ho free na sɛ wode abo adwuma na de nyina atumi akɔnkan de ama wo. Ɛno akyi wɔn wɔ sensitive mouth bath the kind of mouth wash no wonya bi a ɛsɛ tumi boa ma de nyina atumi kɔnkan ɛde ma papa crash ni ababawa wonya bi twitwa osi a ɔkɔ officer ɔkɔ classroom a wɔkyerɛ ade a woyɛ no bi a mpa madam ɛna aba no ɛnumhwa kama halitosis po na hawa wode twitwa na ade nyina atumi akɔnkan ɛde ama ɛno akyi yɛno ɛkasa yɛbɛtena fie ano pakɔpema nwumere yɛ kasa ɛden ara yɛ nipa yi deɛ honammerɛ kakra bɛba na mo ɛba ɛntra so nkyɛ na wonya ɛyɛ procode no bɔbɔ a na aboa procode no ɛba ahodoɔ bebree mmɔfra deɛ wom ɛna mpanyin deɛ ɛwom nti abɔfra bi apɔn sukuu aba na fie dɛ ɔyɛ no phone asɛ awɔ yɛ atia gu no so kakra da bi ɛyɛ code na yɛ ne saa wonya procode no ma no a na wabobom na wawe ne kama bɔ nsu agu so na ne ho atumi atɔ no Mr. Engo kasa auto paracetamol kasa auto procode afi eye koja farmer o de ka kire wo mo aton no ni se edro na esa ya repi na okoma for ye ho advert no o meka ne kama e de amount koja farmer ene de eye koja oracle ni procode ye de aba and crime okay she drug lane ho na benya dodo no etimi atu ato koja farmer o se apomodin efare by se sia de efi Awubia edi abaso ene eye star 787 hash star 787 hash ofa eye o phone no a wabo eye star 787 hash na no kwase me wum se eye kwa foforo ye fa so a ye di agro a di sika ba fie ene de Ghana ha amanone 16 regions ni nyinada abusuafo agro ana bet a obi atwa loto obi atwa eno ane yes star 787 hash na je say o yensa wadi kra sika de da so no eno nie anapatututu no betumi anya eye 10,000 eye 100 million sika da no na fe doso pro na nkasa eye 6.9 billion 690,000 Ghana cedis no wo mbre me be kire wo mu wo mbre kra no say wo fa eye wo phone no a na wa dial star 787 hash na first option eba mobile phone no so na wa yen senti eba na ko step 2 na draw no wa enter na say wa wuram asade nya tumi akonka de ma eno achi no ticket dodo a opese woto ana wutwa no eno ebeba number of ticket that you want to buy eno no ebeba na ebia meto ba ako ana mienu ana miensa na de nya tumi akonka de ma na fe ne to so 9 no utu betua 5 Ghana cedi pe 5